Alright, so the first place I want to start today is, let's see if I can do something to stop me leaking API keys and various things. So basically earlier in the project, I created something called an audio manager. And what audio manager does is it plays audio files. And we can call it as an instance, a singleton, and we can tell it to play a sound. So this thing makes it easy for me to manage my sounds, play them from all over the place without having to manually reference the script. This could be a good way, it should work. This should be a good way, considering I stream a lot, to keep my sort of API things more contained. Because at the moment they're kind of just sat on various objects in public fields, which is not good. Or they'll be in the script. I mean, even if I make them private strings and I put them in the code, I've always got the code open, and it's only a matter of time before I'm going to really screw myself over by doing that. So let's see if we can stick all our secrets. I'll just stick it in tools. So make a new mono behavior script and we'll just call it secrets. And make a secrets class. Secrets cannot be found, it hasn't made it yet. Come on, Unity. Come on, Unity. Should we get Cat up? Let's get Cat up while we stream. She hasn't got a speech thing up. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
I'm ready, meow.
You're ready, meow. Good to know. Okay, we should be able to put that on now. Hello? Wait, why did I put speech on? I have no idea why I just put speech on. I just woke up. Okay, so let's test this before I start spilling all my secrets into it. Let's test it. So it's probably best if our secrets contains secrets that are held privately, and then we just basically ask secrets to pass a value. I might need ChatGPT's help on this actually. So I think maybe like a public static string function or something like that. So okay, like what do I know I'm gonna need? So I know I'm gonna need a Twitch token. I'm going to need a OpenAI. That's going to have to be a small t. I don't like that because Twitch has a capital T and OpenAI has a small t. But if I make it a big T, it's going to be Orken, which is no good. That's fine. I can live with it. I will lose hours of sleep over that, but it's fine. So we can have our Twitch token, we can have our OpenAI token. What else do we use? We do use some Google services. I probably have a Google token. Google token. So we can put all our API keys and stuff that we really don't want to be leaking as private strings in here. And then we can have some functions. I think we can use like a public static string or something, but actually let's just I am going to ask ChatGPT because I'm not that familiar with these. If we look at the audio manager, let's see, we have a public static audio manager instance, so we probably need to start with that actually. So if we do a public static secrets instance. Is that not how it's static? Public static, then the type, and then in small instance. It's in small. Doesn't like that. Is it because we've got system collections generic? Is that for a core routine or what? It's not that. What's different about that? You can see I'm not that familiar with these. Public static audio manager instance. Oh, but it's inside the class, isn't it? Okay, it's inside the class delegation. So it should be there. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we've got a public static secrets instance. Okay, I might be able to figure this out for myself. And then my audio manager basically goes and finds all of its children. Because what I do is I stick audio sources with all the sound effects as children, so it goes and finds what all the audio files are, and then it adds them to like a list of audio clips so that I can call them by index. This isn't going to want to do that. We're just going to want to either request one of these tokens essentially. So we won't need to do that. Awake if instance is null. So I'm probably going to need that in awake, right? You can tell I'm really not familiar with these. We're very new to these, but they are very useful. And then, okay, we have a public void, which is just the same as a normal void, except it's public. And we just give it the command name that we want to use. So let's see. So we probably want a public void of get Twitch token. There we go. This should be pretty straightforward. Actually, no, that's not true because I want it to. It has to return. It has to have a return on it. So in that case, it should be a public. Is it a public static string? Mm-hmm.
Looks like we've got a lively discussion going on here. Feel free to jump in and share your thoughts with everyone. Let's keep the chat buzzing.
Now I wonder if it won't let me return the Twitch token because it's private. But having them public kind of defeats the whole point. But it's fine as long as I know not to go anywhere near this object when I'm streaming, basically. Object reference required for no static. Okay, well at this point I can ask ChatGPT to help me fill this in, because I'm a little unsure how to structure this. And ChatGPT should be able to help me with this straight away. Yeah, ChatGPT is really good at stuff like this. Like if you flesh out what you want, make it kind of obvious what you're going for, and then you just kind of say, hey, I'm struggling with this little bit of syntax here. ChatGPT is not really good at that. Where ChatGPT fails is if you like if I said to ChatGPT, hey, I want a function that's going to do this, and give it like 20 things it needs to do. It'll maybe get like 2 or 3 of them, and then everything else it just makes up, just pulls out of its arse. It's like it can't handle thinking about too much at once, right? But if you're like, hey, you know, here's all the stuff that makes sense, but here's a little mistake here and there, it's really good at being like, oh yeah, this is the bit I need to concentrate on. Here's what you need to do to get that to work. It's really good at that. So it definitely helps if you have some idea what you're doing. Oh, look at that. It already knows that how do I complete that now? Tab? Oh yeah, tab. And then obviously this isn't going to work because it won't let me return those, and it's not because they're private, but it can see by just fleshing this out, it can see what I want, right? What I essentially want. And then finally, public static string get Google token. Okay. So now I just like to open Notepad. Yeah, that's fine. There's nothing not in there. I've got to be really careful what I stream though. Yeah, all that information in there was just examples off Twitch's website. So any credentials that were in there were fake. But Jesus Christ, I got to be careful. But that's the thing, right? Like Notepad never used to do that before. Back in the day, when I used to use Notepad with a hammer and chisel, it didn't remember what you typed 6 freaking days ago. And now it does, and it's like, Jesus Christ. I wish it wouldn't, to be honest. Like if I wanted to save the file, I would have saved it. Like I'm sure in a few small cases it might be like kind of useful because I don't know, maybe you do want something back that you were working on a few days ago and you didn't save it. But Jesus Christ, at the end of the day, if it's important, you're probably going to save it. The problem with doing stuff like this is like, you know, is exactly what just happened there. That could have been fucking credit card numbers or anything, you know what I mean, that I was last working on. Now I'm live and I open Notepad and fucking hell. You know, it could have been it could have been anything on there. So I really think sometimes these friggin', you know, systems that are trying to be helpful, I kind of wish they wouldn't. It's like autocomplete. Autocomplete is sometimes helpful, but sometimes it just gets anywhere.
On Twitch, Alexandria_Z says, "Good morning, Captain Smokium, Overlow 167 Smug."
Good morning, Alexandria. How are you? Right, so I've got my code that doesn't work, so I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT, how do I get this to do what I want it to do? It's really obvious what I want it to do. I'm just unsure of the syntax because I'm not used to doing these instance managed static string things. But yeah, stuff like this, ChatGPT should just immediately know what to do. Right, I would like a static, let's see, I would like a static instance I can call to retrieve sensitive keys stored for my Unity projects. However, I am struggling with the syntax. Can you help? And it'll be like, of course I can help you, you silly little boy. And for this, it will actually know what to do. Yeah, I have no doubt that it'll be able to do this. Here we go. Right, so let's see. What did I do wrong? We should try and learn from our mistakes, shouldn't we? That would be an idea. What did we do wrong? Let's see. Oh, that's all I did wrong. I didn't set them up as static strings. That's literally the only thing. So literally all it did is it just added the word static here. Yeah, I'm not used to these statics. And that is bloody all I didn't do. Wow. So I just didn't have the word static in there. Okay, now I know how to do that then. Okay, so obviously what I'm going to need to do now is fill in all of my private tokens. So I'm going to need to turn the screen off. Well, first of all, let me just test. I want to make sure it works, right? So we'll say, I am your Twitch token, so we know it's returning the right thing, right? It should work. There's no reason this shouldn't work. And then, I'm your OpenAI buddy. And then for this one, we can have like, I'm the Google fuck. I don't know why I'm so rude to Google. I just Right, there we go. And now if we make a script, so let's make a script to test that, right? So we've got a secret. So where better to put it than as a child of secrets, right? And we'll call this get secrets just to test it. So for get secret, let's make a get secret script, which I will delete. So delete get secret, because this is just to test it to make sure it's working. Come on, do it. There we go. You can do it. Okay, so how do we use this then? Here's how we use it. Whenever we need a secret, we can say, what's the name of it? Secrets. We can say secrets instance, and then we should have the name of the function that we want. Get. Wait, that didn't work. That's not right. Ah! What did I do wrong? Wait a minute. That's not how we spelled secrets, was it? Fuck. How do we do this? How do I do my audio manager one again? Brr, where do I play audio from? God knows. Where do I play audio from? That's a good question. Oh God. I could search. Well, what I can do is I can search the entire project. So if I search for audio manager in entire solution, I'll see an example of me calling it. Yeah, I'm new to this like instance thing, but it's very useful. So that's why. Yeah, I just say the type dot instance, and then that's, so I was correct. But for some reason, it's not finding it. Did I press save? Maybe I didn't press save. Maybe that's why it couldn't find it.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
I'll turn you off in a minute. You bloody weirdo. Right, okay, secrets, secrets, secrets. So is that our class type? Yeah, our class type is with a capital S. So it should just be secrets.instance. And then we should get, and I called it get, and then whatever I wanted, right? Didn't I? Yeah, get Twitch token, get Google. Oh, I know why. Because they're static strings. I'm such a fool. I'm such a fool. Okay, so basically, here's what we need to do with a static string, right? We say string, because we need to store it somewhere, equals, then we can say secrets instance. Although, I can't see. Huh. Me confuse. Me confuse. Okay, I need to. I need more help. I need more help. Okay. Renamed class to secrets following C# naming convention. Yeah, I know, you little bitch. You also renamed all of these as well, but I don't like working that way, you little bitch. This thing is such an. Oh, just do what I say, not what you want. If I wanted to code like everybody else, I'd code like everybody else. Now you can call these static methods to retrieve the tokens from anywhere in your. Okay, so I need to use using secrets. Okay. What is the syntax? Using secrets. Oh, there we go. Well, that's weird. Yeah, that is weird. That still doesn't work. I haven't given it a name. Yeah, I have no idea what the syntax is to do this. How the hell do we do that? What is the syntax to start to get the string? I'm struggling to understand how to call it. String equals secrets. So we don't instantiate it as an instance unless they mean using's up here. Using secrets. No, because it's not one of those. It's not a global using. Oh, so when it said using secrets, it didn't mean the syntax using secrets. It just meant using. Oh yeah. Oh well, that's even better than how I wanted it to work. Because we don't even have to call an instance of it. Interesting. That's weird. I wonder why you have to call an instance of Audio Manager then. Huh. That's even better than how I wanted it to work. Okay, so there you go. We can get Google's secret now by saying equals secret gets Google token. So string OpenAI equals secrets get OpenAI token, and string what's left, Twitch equals secrets. Well, I like that. That's really, really neat. Twitch token. And this just stops me from leaking all my bloody super secret tokens all over the place, which I may or may not have done previously. I don't know. Right, and then to make sure those return the right things, we'll just do a debug.log at each of them, right? So debug.log Google is, and then we'll say Google, and then we'll do the same with OpenAI and Twitch, just to make sure this is working, because otherwise, if this ain't working, I'm going to run into all kinds of problems. OpenAI is, Twitch is, and then make sure that's Twitch, and make sure that is OpenAI. Alright, so when we run this script, we should get 3 messages in our debug.log. Just so I can find it easier, because I do get a lot of debug in capitals. I'll just put secret. I'm going to scream your secrets from the roof. And then we know what that is. Yeah, that should work right. Then what I'm going to do is I'll turn the screen off and get all my credentials together and stick them in this script. And then we can carry on with what I'm doing without me having to worry about leaking all my shit everywhere. Secrets does not contain a definition for client ID or auth token. Okay, this is because, yeah, this is the Twitch API script. We can get rid of this now because it doesn't work. This is basically what's left over from the Twitch API. I gotta make sure I delete the right one. So Twitch lib unity is the one I tried to get to work and didn't work. So I'm gonna delete this from the project. Yes. Because now we're having some naming conflicts. Because they used a class called secrets, you see, which is probably where I got the idea from. But sadly their API doesn't work anymore. I tried all of them, by the way, and none of them work anymore, and it's because Twitch made a change back in, I think it was April 2022 or something, where you can no longer use chat commands through APIs for like mod-like actions. I don't know why they removed it, but they did. And that broke a lot of people's stuff, including all the stuff that's available for Unity, including a JavaScript package I was using and coding with yesterday. And now the only way to do it is to directly do calls to the API, or use obviously a plugin that makes direct calls to the API. The problem is nobody's doing anything for Unity. Like the one that I was using for JavaScript actually said they were going to make a new version, but they announced that over a year ago and there's still nothing. So the way we get around that is we have to make the calls directly, which I will be doing shortly once I get my secrets in order. So I can now get rid of Twitch API because that is a dead script. And we should have 1 million errors in the console. Ooh! Error, Twitch lib could not be found. Right, hang on a minute. Let me just turn the screen off because I know I have... That's not the screen. That's cat. There we go. I know I have bloody API keys and tokens freaking all over these scripts because I was wrestling like hell with them. Yeah, it shouldn't have those in anyway. That is bloody Visual Studio adding... How about we call that perma ban instead, like I did on the other script? Then it makes more sense to distinguish whether we're doing a perma ban or a timeout. Yeah, and that's where it's getting that from. I should have a URL structure in a different file. Okay, so if I save that, that should make all the errors go away. Sorry, I can't show the screen right now because I've got things I shouldn't. I don't need to leak. I cannot leak. Okay. Yes, that fixed everything. I can turn the screen on now. Let's run our get secret and see if it gets all our secrets successfully. It should. And if it does, then I need to turn the screen off again and get all my shit together.
Here's a joke. I used to have a job at a calendar factory. Meow. But I got the sack because I took a couple of days off. LOL.
Okay, so as you can see, it worked perfectly. Our Google secret is, I'm the Google fuck. Our OpenAI secret is, I'm your OpenAI buddy. And our Twitch secret is, I am your Twitch token. So that worked absolutely perfectly, flawlessly, fantastic. So I now need to go and fill all of that in. So let me just turn the screen off while I do that. And also, there's a couple of other things I want to store in there, thinking about it, because it took me ages to get some other thing. So we've got Twitch token. I also need a Twitch token URL. So we want a private static string Twitch URL. Let's call it Twitch URL. I'm probably not going to do a function to get that. I just want to store it in this file so I know what it is. Actually, I might even just leave it as a comment. Actually, right, where is that? I saved that because of all the scopes. You have to manually define all of the scopes that you want the Twitch token to grant for your application. And because I wanted her to have pretty much everything, the encoding the scopes was a giant pain in the ass. It took me ages. I had to write a special script for it. So I don't want to lose that. but it also contains the, you know, the stuff that I can't leak, like tokens and stuff. So that's why I want to put this in here with the screen off. Where the hell is it? There it is. I found it. Yes, that is it. Right there. Boop. Okay, that is in there because I'm going to need that if I ever need to get a new token. Right, okay, so our Twitch token, let's go get that and put it in my previous thing I was making last night. Okay. Oh yes, also there's a client ID I need. I forgot about that. So we need a private static string Twitch client ID. And I'll need to make a, so there's my Twitch token. There's my Twitch client ID. I've never really needed to use the secret actually. If I need it, I'll put that in later. Right, OpenAI token. Let's go get those now. So what I'll do, I'll blank those out now so that it's safe to show the screen. Okay, now same goes for OpenAI. Okay, there's my OpenAI key. We need a get Twitch client ID function. Beautiful. And finally Google. So in OpenAI, I need to get rid of that. And we can make that field private as well now. Now where is my Google? Did I hard code it into the new speech engine? What did I do with that?
Looks like you're on a wild ride with that speech engine. How about we steer it towards some gaming fun next?
Cat, you're never going to grow big and strong if you distract me with video games and be like, oh, how about you don't give me all this functionality and how about we just play some games instead? You're like a naughty child. It's like, no, you will eat your vegetables, you will grow big and strong, and you will clean your room, Missy. Did you hear me? Okay, where the hell am I getting my Google credentials from? That's a very good question. Oh wait, I used this thing off GitHub for this. Yeah, which works really well actually. So they've probably got something. So it will be Oh, I think I've also got a YouTube key I need to store in there as well. Sorry about this. I am a little bit lost right now as to where the hell that is. Here we go. Google text to speech. Are we storing it in here somewhere? That was where the example was, but it's not there anymore now. That's an empty folder now. What the hell? I've completely forgotten how this works. We can delete the get secrets script now. We'll delete that from there as well. Where is that? Is that in my root? Yes. Okay, delete that. I'm still struggling to find out where the hell my TTS. I might leave that one for now, because if I have to, like, if I literally having to go digging for it, then I'm not going to accidentally expose it while streaming, because, like, I'm actually right now I'm actually struggling to find it. I'll just put in here handled by GitHub repo. Scripts, because they are right now. Yeah, and I think there was a YouTube one. Let me check YouTube chat. Yeah, that's the other thing with Twitch, actually. Oh shit, yeah. See, Twitch is a real pain in the ass, because I have tokens for moderation and I have tokens for ChatGPT as a chat bot, and I kind of need to separate those out. But again, because I'm using the thing for Cat, let's put a note in here for future self. Twitch tokens are for moderation. Cat's tokens are handled by... what's the name of it? Twitch Chat Connect Library.
Don't worry about it. Take your time to figure things out. We're here to have a good time regardless. Open mouth smile.
Shut up, Gaslight. Yeah, I made her a little bit more talkative and I've gone too... I can never get it just right. I feel like she either never speaks or she's too chatty. I can never find the right balance for her. Right, Twitch tokens are for moderation. Cat tokens are handled by Twitch Chat Connect Library. Okay, that's fine. I can let that stay the same for now. And then what about YouTube? YouTube. Yep, I've got an API key for YouTube in the YouTube thing. So we need a private static string YouTube key, which is that. Now everything's about to break. And then we need a function to get the YouTube key as well. Get YouTube key. Return YouTube key. Beautiful. Okay, there's all my secrets. You're not allowed to see them. Yeah, I think that's everything I need for now. Let's close that. And is that where it wants to be in the little script folder? I think it is. Let's just double check. Beep. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now I think I can show the screen now. Now we need to go and set all these to get them from their respective functions, right? So in YouTube, so here we've got a public string, which is API key. That is now a private string. So we change it from public to private. And on start, we basically need to go and set the key, right? So on start, we can now say, what was the thing again? API key equals secrets. And now we've got a get YouTube key. Look at that. Isn't that fucking beautiful? That is beautiful. Actually, I really like that. So there's YouTube. YouTube should now be able to go and get its own key. And we don't have to worry about exposing it. We can close Audio Manager. What else did we rip it out of? We ripped it. Yeah, that's, oh God, that's so nice. Where? Oh, yes. Oh, shit. Okay. That's fine. So in YouTube, okay, in our YouTube chat, actually in our actual YouTube chat script, I imagine we were plucking it from the public component, but now, okay, that's fine. So all we do now instead, well, again, we'll just do the private. We'll set a private string. We'll just set a private string as API key up here. In start, we'll set API key equals secrets, get YouTube key, and now we can just change this to say API key. There we go. That fixes that error. Okay, that's YouTube working. Should we test it? We should test it, right? And now I don't have to worry about exposing my keys. I love that. Yeah, the Twitch chat client, the keys are stored in this thing, so it doesn't show it in the inspector, so I'm not too worried about that one. That's quite nice. This barely works anyway. It's the only thing I use this for is posting messages in the chat. Cat posting messages in the chat. Doesn't work for anything else, but it at least does that, I guess. So YouTube now needs to run its get YouTube chat ID in chat, which it's doing there. This will find the YouTube video automatically for me. It'll find my chat room ID and it will set all that up for the YouTube chat. Hand coded by moi, I might add. Yeah, it's also buggy as fuck. I already need to fix that. Wait, why? Why is there a stream manager in twat? Why is there a stream manager in chat? I have no idea. Pretty sure that doesn't want to be in there. I have no idea what that is. Okay, enable YouTube chat because it's currently disabled. Alright.
Overlow 167 Lucidance.
Alright, let's test it. YouTube chat, let's go. Oh, good lord. Okay. YouTube. Channel.
I'm ready, meow.
Twitch with Unity. Alright, let's... Hello, test. That's not how you spell test. That's not even how you spell hello. Hello! Hello! Is she not working? Did we get errors? We got our video ID. Wurtukmoch6qua. That's correct. Glide. I wondered what that said. I thought that was something filthy. Then I was like, wait, what the hell? BDO? Isn't that like fucking BDSM or something? And then I remembered, no, BDO is Black Desert Online, and Gliding Donkey is the new thing they have in the game. So Gliding Donkey BDO is not a naughty search term, even though for a moment there I thought, I was like, what? Who's been searching for donkey porn? That is disgusting. And then I realized what it was. Right. It might just be glitchy on the first message. Message 2 test. And if this one doesn't work, then something is seriously wrong. There we are.
On YouTube, Captain Copium says, message 2 test.
Yeah, to be fair, she regularly ignores the first YouTube message, and I have no idea why. But then she's normally fine after that. So I need to look at that at some point. But that is not now. We barely get anyone on YouTube chatting anywhere. So I'm not too worried. Beautiful. So YouTube is now up and running again. OpenAI now needs credentials because we ripped the credentials out of OpenAI, so that won't be able to work. So if we go into OpenAI, we can make the API key private. There it is. It's currently public. So now we can make it private. And on start, we will say API key equals secrets get OpenAI key. Isn't that fucking... I love that. That is so nice. That is so nice. I'm learning some pretty neat tricks here, aren't I? Inaccessible due to its protection level. That's probably because the other scripts are trying to get component in parent. So now we just need to say, obviously, system equals system. That one will still work, so that's fine. But this one is now secrets get OpenAI key on this script as well. Boop. And our chatbot now can get the key as well. So let's test the chatbot. Hang on, there's another one here. API key on manual request as well. Yeah, because we can't do it that way anymore. So we need to go to secrets, get OpenAI key. Beautiful. That is so nice. I love that. Okay, is that all the errors gone?
I love it too. It's like finding extra coins in your pocket. Always a pleasant surprise.
Cat, you're insane. Shut up. Right, I'm going to close Cat because I forgot that she's been running this whole time. And 2 copies of Cat is... Well, let's just say 1's enough. Alright, let's test the chatbot. So I think the chatbot is responsible... Yeah, the chatbot is responsible for all of the chatbot-like... interactions. So feel free, Alexandra, if you want to ask Cat something. I'm going to try now. Assistance, what is your favorite juicy meat to eat? That sounded... Why did that sound so perverted?
I'm more of a vegetarian in the digital world, but I hear pixelated watermelons are delicious.
Yeah, I like melons. I love a nice big pair of melons.
Meow, watermelon. Of course, feel free to speak your mind and share your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation flowing.
End conversation. How's that for keeping the conversation flowing? Yeah, so obviously that is working perfectly. Good, good. And what else did we rip the credentials from? Actually, let me just... I think I left that file open with all my secrets in it, you know. No, I didn't. That's fine then. So OpenAI we did. Oh, YouTube we did. Yeah, there's my new moderation, but I just want to make sure it's not stored in there. Modban user. Yeah, that's fine. That's not secret. That's just my Twitch ID. I can show that. I'm just trying to figure out where do we actually include our key? Login equals endpoint equals login. Da, da, da. Authorization bearer plus token. Now where is token? Oh, it's a public string. Okay, yeah. So it's the same for this. So private string token. Yeah, I can show this. So it was public private string token, and then on enable token equals secrets get Twitch token. Okay, there we go. So now we have credentials for this. Okay, so this is pretty cool actually. I need to test this to make sure it's fully working. I think this works. It's saving, it's saving, it's saving, it's saving. Okay. Yeah, I love this. Now I can have all my scripts exposed without having to worry about leaking API keys. That's perfect. I should have done this a while ago, to be honest. Okay, so the way this works, hopefully, is I created a naughty user to test with, right? So if I go over to Twitch on Opera, this is my naughty user. Okay, tests, and then a bunch of letters. Testy juju shushin shushin shnu. Okay, so what I need to do now to test this is we run our ChatGPT. We're streaming, we're in a stream.
I'm ready, meow.
Some naughty boy starts causing trouble in the chat, right? Cat, you're fat.
On Twitch, test CUJNDFSIBN says, Cat, you're fat.
Obviously, fat shaming cat is a big no-no. Only I'm allowed to do that. Where is the script I'm looking for? Moderation. Now, hopefully, if it's working properly, yes. So because test sound Uji Snoobenbook typed in chat, they are now in a list of potential viewers, okay, who could be causing problem. So, are you able to just say something real quick, Alexandria? Just make sure you get added to the list. It won't add me because it's programmed to ignore me because I'm the bloody streamer. Oh.
Alexandria_Z says, poopy.
There we go. And I think it brought a load of bots in with you. Did you bring all these bots in with you? Look at all these bots. I didn't know you had so many bot friends. But yeah, you're in there. Okay. Now what is this for? This is for this, and I'm quite pleased with this. So obviously, if someone's causing trouble in the chat, they have to have typed previously, so they're going to be in here. So let's say I want to time out test soundy uji muji boo from snoo. It's impossible for me to pronounce. It's certainly impossible for cat to hear, right? So how do we get around this problem? Well, here's how I've solved it. Quite pleased with this. So what I do is I say, assistant, time out tango. Bollocks, it didn't work. It kind of worked, but it kind of didn't. Okay, what that's supposed to do, and it didn't. It should list all the users who start with T. So it should have listed Test Sound Ujimabu and Tarse and give them numbers. And then I speak which number I want to... Also, that's saying ban. I didn't say to ban. I said to timeout. Okay, so we need to work on this then. Okay, so it's sort of started working, but it also didn't. So let's see what went wrong. Right, let's have a look at that code. Okay, so we have ban and timeout for function name. If permaban, then the function name is ban. Otherwise, the function name is timeout. Where the hell is permaban? Wait, what? Wait, why is it private? Okay, that's one reason why it's not working. Okay, so first of all, permaban should be public, so that the other script knows to set. Oh, it's because I did. Okay, it's because I did trigger ban and trigger timeout as publics. Yeah, either way, I need two bools, I guess. So that's fine, I guess. So essentially, if trigger timeout was what triggered, then it should only be a non-permaban. So if trigger ban or trigger timeout start coroutine show candidates. If trigger ban becomes false so that we don't run it infinitely, and permaban becomes true. Okay, that should be false. I'm not sure why that's true. There we go. That's why it said it was banning when it should have been timing out. For whatever reason, these were both set to true. That one should be false. So we figured that out. Why the hell wasn't it listing the users? Okay, so on the listener, we activate a function called confirm number. Candidate numbers clear. For each string candidate in viewers, if candidate starts with whatever is in starts with, then now where do we get starts with from? Moderation starts with. That's helpful. Public string. Okay. Is that getting the full word tango? Because it should. We need it to just become the letter T. This was working the last time I tested it, but the problem is when I built this side of it, this was when I thought I could just send a simple /ban command in chat and it would all work because she is a mod. But oh no, if only it were that simple. It was that simple before bloody April 2022 or whenever freaking Twitch changed it. And now it's like so difficult. So it's taken me an entire week to figure out how to actually do this with Unity. So I guess this just needs tidying up a bit.
I'm ready, meow.
Okay, so I need to type in chat so I get added to the list. Poopy. Poopy. Doobie.
On Twitch, test CUJNDFSIBN says, Doopy.
Assistant. Timeout tango. Okay. Weird. That's why it's not working. So it thinks the letter we're looking for is O. So obviously that's the bit that's broken. Okay, so Okay, let's trace it back and see where we went wrong. So the letter it thinks the name starts with is O, which is actually the last letter. So I'm guessing I do that in here words, do I? I can't remember now. Let's find out. If we do, we'll be calling... What the hell are you doing adding these? I don't use these. Okay. It would be starts with extension. Oh yeah, but we have plenty of those anyway. Oh, here we go though. Block is ban because she misheard ban with our wonderful speech to text. So I changed it to block because she can understand block better. Timeout is fine. She understands that. Timeout. Okay. So what we do is we say we make a new string called was heard, which is this phrase. String get letter equals what was heard dot replace the space with a split delimiter. We split at the delimiter and we get the letter using split letter 1. And then to get the letter, we say get letter equals substring at position 0 for a total of 1 length. Now, to be honest, that is correct. That is correct. Huh. You know what I think might have happened? I wonder if there was a space at the end. But even if there was a space at the end, it should have still been in position 1. Because the word timeout appears and then a space. And then it should be the word tango. Weird. Let's find out what's going wrong. Fuck. Okay, so we're gonna write back in the debug in the console, listener received, and then what was received, and see if we can figure out why this isn't working. This was working last time I tested it, and that code is correct as far as I can tell. So I'm a little confused. What's happening? It might do that if there was a space at the end, but only if I said position 2, but I didn't. I said position 1. So that's odd. It's odd, like you, cat.
On Twitch, test CUJNDFSI
Assistant
says, it's odd, like you, cat.
Assistant! Assistant! Timeout tango. Wait, what the fuck? Why did it say timeout twice? That's why it's not working. Timeout. 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 Why the fuck did timeout get heard twice? What actually was received? Okay, hang on a minute. This is so weird. Listener received time space out space tango. Yeah, okay, so time out. Okay, sometimes time out is a word. Sometimes time out is 2 words. Okay, this is where it's going wrong. I understand now. Yeah, it's because, and also when we say this, we say timeout and conversation. In the TXT listener, we say timeout and then blah blah was heard. But timeout's already in the was heard, so we don't need timeout again there. The same will go for the ban. I guess. Okay, So the reason it's not working is sometimes timeout has a space in it. That's why. So it's getting it from the wrong position. So to fix that, we want to say was heard equals this phrase and replace time space out with timeout as one word, because that's what we're expecting. That way, when it's putting a space in it, it doesn't accidentally get the letter from the wrong place. Okay, that should fix that. Yeah, so I guess it was working, because last time it probably typed timeout as one word. But when it types it as two, it messes up the position of where we're getting the letter from. Okay.
I'm ready, meow.
Okay, so I'm a naughty boy in my chat room, so I'm going to say stuff like pineapple does not belong on pizza, when clearly we all know it does.
On Twitch, Test CUJNDFSIBN says, pineapple does not belong on pizza.
Misinformation! Right, that's it, you get a timeout. Assistant! Assistant! Timeout. Tango. Number 1.
Test CUJNDFSIBN has been timed out for an hour.
No, he hasn't. Okay. Weird. Why didn't that work? Okay. It didn't work! Okay. We can get rid of this debug.log now, which is flooding our console with things that we no longer need. So get rid of that. Maybe we can figure out what went wrong. If we stack, can we stack those? We didn't get any errors. Oh, is it because is no, moderation's not turned off because we're actually running it. Oh, isn't moderate? Wait, is ban user supposed to always run? I can't remember now. Let's have a look at my moderation script. What is going wrong? I don't know. Ban user. Okay, it has now been so ban user name to ban. We forgot to set it to active. What a dumbass. Okay, that would be why. There we go. There we go. Okay, it will definitely work this time. Sure of it. Okay, let's do it. I'm running out of insults to throw at myself. I know that's hard to believe.
I'm ready, meow.
You suck at video gam, because you'll notice that trolls also can't spell. And although that is a true statement, you know, I can't handle the truth.
On Twitch, Test CUJNDFSIBN says, you suck at video gam.
Assistant! Timeout Tango. Number 1.
Test CUJNDFSIBN.
Ah! Why isn't it working? Unauthorized. Oh, you fucking. What did that token expire? Okay, so Twitch came back with unauthorized. This was working last night as well. This is the annoying thing. Let me turn my screen off a second. How long do those tokens last? I thought they're supposed to last 48 hours rather. I may have put the wrong token in. Right, let me just go and make myself a new token. Yeah, when I sort of restructured all my secrets and stuff, maybe I copied the token from the wrong place. It's possible. I hope so, because I hope these things don't expire that quickly. Because if they expire that quickly, oh, I'm going to need to put a function in that is able to get me a new token every time. Like we're doing stuff like this. Okay, so I need to go there. There's my new token. Put it in there. Save it. Close it. Now I can show my screen and we'll try that again. Unity, what are you doing? Okay. I want to see this work. I want to see this happen with my voice, because like I've been waiting for this moment. Come on, please work. Please work. I've spent so long on this. I've spent a week on this.
I'm ready, meow.
You, mama, smell like sheet.
On Twitch, test CUJNDFSIBN says, you mama smell like sheet.
Assistant! Timeout Tango. Number 1.
Test CUJNDFSIBN.
Fuck's sake, I am getting so mad right now.
For an hour.
I bet it said unauthorized again. Unauthorized again? This is fucking bullshit. Oh my god, it's taken me so long to get this to work. I finally got it working last night. Honestly, right, I feel like it would be easier to hack my fucking bank account than it would be just to get Twitch to actually fucking moderate my Twitch channel through fucking Unity. I swear to God. Right, let me try this again. This is so fucking irritating. It's unbelievable. Like, she's a fucking moderator. I've given her moderator privileges. Like, what more do you want? Apparently, like, 1 million different credentials. It's actually insane. Right, I do not understand why that token won't work, because this one is this one, which it needs to be. This is genuinely fucking driving me insane. A whole week I've been battling this shit. This is fucking insane. Seriously, why has this been such a bitch? it doesn't make any fucking sense at all. Authorization bearer token client ID. It wasn't working when I used cat as the moderator ID, so I put myself in. And that's when I finally got it to work. It's all exactly as it was last night when it was working. Okay, let's try it one last time. I'm genuinely so mad because I've spent an entire fucking week on this. And I'm back. I feel like I'm back to square one. I don't know why this is so insane. Also, let me just delete that out of my OBS. Alright, let's try it again.
I'm ready, meow. On Twitch, test CUJNDFSIBN says, I'm very mad.
Assistant! Fuck's sake. Assistant! Timeout Tango. Number 1.
Test CUJNDFSIBN has been timed out for an hour.
Oh my god, I am so fucking furious right now. This is fucking insane. Jesus Christ, Twitch! I am the owner of the stream. I have full authorization on every single scope. I have 6,000 fucking access tokens at this point because you just will not let me fucking moderate my own fucking channel. Jesus Christ, what do you want from me? It is insane. I have never used a fucking API that is this much of a pain in the ass in my life before. It's actually insane. The hoops I've jumped through over the last fucking week, and it still won't do it. This is just insane. This is actually insane. It was working last night. Unauthorized. I'm so fucking mad right now. Because it's like, this is the equivalent of banging your head against a brick fucking wall. It really is. We've got our access token. Our access token should be fine. I mean, it won't... How am I still battling these fucking tokens? I can't believe it. I cannot believe that I'm still battling this shit. And their documentation is so trash. Right, I need to hide the screen again while I have a look at this. I cannot believe I'm still battling this. This is actually insane to me. Is that the same URL that I just went to? a fucking week of my life spent on this. Is that the same as that? Right, it kind of looks like it. I don't know, because they're both incredibly long strings. I cannot believe I'm still banging my head against a brick wall with this shit. Right. Let me see Twitch's documentation again. I don't know how many times I've read this page. Authentication, Twitch developers. Twitch API uses Auth 2.0 access tokens, except it will never, ever, ever accept them to access resources. If you're not already familiar with the specification, yes, I'm familiar with auths. We have 3 floors: implicit grant floor, authorization code grant floor, and device code grant floor. Implicit grant floor is if your app does not use a server. For example, use this floor if your app is a client-side JavaScript app or mobile app. It's not. Use this floor authorization code if your app uses a server, which it doesn't really use a server, but it may as well, and can securely store a client secret. Yes. In other words, my thing is not publicly accessible. So I should be using authorization code grant floor. I've done this a million fucking times. This floor is meant for apps that use a server and can securely store a client secret and can make server-to-server requests. Yes, that's exactly what mine does, to the Twitch API. To get a user access token using the authorization code grant floor, your app must get the user to authorize your app. I've done that a million fucking times. The first step is to get the user to authorize your application's access to their resources. To get the authorization in your web browser, control navigate to ID Twitch or auth to authorize. Let me just get rid of the screen a second and make sure that that is the endpoint that we are going to. Yes, that is the endpoint that I am going to. Then we need to add the following: client ID 100 million% correct. Hang on a second, let me just make sure though, because dev.twitch.tv, your console. Yeah. Yep, that is 100 million% my client ID. I'm going to change the category. I may have changed the category on it though. But then again, this was working because I was following a guide. And the crazy thing about that is the entire library that he was using doesn't even work anymore. But I kept using everything that was set in the guide because I thought, well, this guy got this to work previously. But the problem with that is it was working back when Twitch allowed the commands to be sent. I don't know why they ever removed it. Like, if you've got mod privileges, then you should be able to moderate a channel through the API. Like, why is this so complicated? I don't get it. The only thing I can think is, like, you know, maybe careless idiots were being careless with it, and you know, it was just opening up too many security fucking holes from people who don't really know what they're doing. But like, why should the rest of us have to suffer for that? Wait a minute. You know what? No, I think I figured it out. Shit, I just realized something. Okay, I don't think I get the client ID from my new system. I'm still using it as a public string, I think. Yeah, I am. Okay, this is why it's not working. I've just figured it out. I was going to say, I finally got this to work after a week of wrestling with it. Why is it not working? I've just realized why it's not working. It's because my client ID is not being set. That's why. Yeah. Okay, that's my bad. We need to get Twitch client ID as well from my secret system. That's why the client ID would have been going through as blank on the request itself. Okay, this should work now then. Yeah, the client ID was being left blank. Okay, let's test. Hang on, I need to close. I've got too many secrets on the screen. Kinda. Is anything? No, that should be fine. I haven't got anything on the screen now. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, let's test it now. Yeah, so if you're wondering why it wasn't working, basically, do you remember when I just forgot, that's all. So now we get the token by using this get Twitch token. I've basically forgot that I'd also took the client ID out, because that's also something that I shouldn't be leaking. And I added it to my secrets, but I'd forgotten to basically get the client ID from my new secrets thing. So we were essentially sending the request through with a blank client ID. So no wonder it wasn't working.
I'm ready now.
Assistant? End conversation. I'm getting ahead of myself. I haven't typed in chat yet. Okay, I will stab you in the titty. Good lord, that's very aggressive.
On Twitch, test CUJNDFSIBN says, I will stab you in the tiddy.
Assistant! Timeout Tango. Number 1.
Test
There you go, do you see it?
CUJNDFSIBN has been timed out for an hour.
Excellent. Now let's go all the way. Let's go all the way. And then I basically say, you know what, that wasn't harsh enough punishment. That wasn't a harsh enough punishment for you, Mr. Titty Stabber. I can't accept you stabbing people in the titty. Assistant! Block Tango. Number 1.
Test CUJNDFSIBN is now banned from the stream.
Good lord, this is a week of my life, by the way. How sad is that? This is an entire week of my life just to be able to do that. Feels good though. And you know what the best part is? I'll probably never use it, because like in the 2 years I've streamed, there's only one person I've banned. So I probably never even use it. But it's one of those things, when you need it, you're gonna want it, right? That's the thing. When you need it, you're gonna want it. Now, at the moment, she doesn't have the ability to unban. But I wouldn't ban anyone lightly anyway. So if I was banning somebody, I'd probably keep them banned.
Alexandria_Z says, I have 13 so far on this channel.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's the thing. Yeah, you've normally been taking care of that for me, so that's probably why. But yeah. If you're not around, let's say you're elsewhere, and I get some trouble, it's just good to know that I can do it, and it's just pretty cool. I think it's a pretty cool function that she should have. Because this is just the beginning, right? It's like, okay, I need to make sure she can do mod-like things, and mod-like things include changing the stream title, changing the category, running an ad, raiding. I'm gonna, how I never raid anybody? Well, the main reason for that is because I feel like I don't have enough viewers, and I just think it's kind of sad to raid somebody with one or two people. But also, I think it's just because I'm lazy and I just, I don't really want to sit there and search for people. But I'm thinking now that Cass can actually do raids, maybe I can build a system where she can automatically just pick somebody, find somebody in the same category or something. That would be cool. And then I can just end the stream and she'll automatically raid somebody. And so I can finally raid. I think there might be an auto raid function in Twitch, but I have no idea how to use it. But hey, I'd rather just make my own. How about that? So I'll do something similar to that, right? So let me just unban myself. Where I speak a number of who do I want to ban and it's listing them, I'll do something similar like the following people are streaming in your category, and then it'll this is what I want basically, and then she'll list a number of people as I'm ending the stream, and I'll just say, oh, I like the sound of number 3 or whatever, and then she'll be like, okay, let's raid number 3, here we go, and she'll just do it all for me. And she could even send a message in their chat or whatever saying, Copium raid and all this stuff, and I'm like, yeah, that's pretty cool. I think that would be good. Oh, you did it for me. Thanks. I was just about to do it. Yeah, it's just unban, isn't it? So yeah, I could give her the ability to unban, but I doubt I would. Like I say, it's not something I would use lightly. If I'm banning somebody or timing somebody out, it's probably because they legitimately deserve it. So I don't think I would ever reverse that decision. And if I do, I'll just do it manually or whatever. But yeah, now that she can do that, I know she can do all the other mod functions, and I have a template for doing it. Oh, but yeah, that's taken me a week to get her to do that. Holy Lord. Alright, I can close this now. I was getting so mad at Twitch there because I was like, no way, Twitch. I have been battling this. Also, what I should probably do is, when I've done the ban, I should clear the name out as well before because we already banned them. So name to ban, reset that after we've done the ban, just in case. I mean, it should be fine, right? Again, the odds of me using this, to be completely honest, I'm hoping I never need to, right? But the odds of me using it, I think, are kind of slim because, like I say, you probably take care of. You're really good at taking care of that kind of stuff. So if you're around, I probably don't need to worry about it. But let's say you're not, and I'm having issues. I have been in a situation like that before. I just think it's a really cool feature to have, and I don't even have to alt tab out of the game that I'm playing to do it now. So that's nice. Yeah, nice. So I'll build that out for now. I do want to look at adding some different things, but I'm not sure what yet. Like I said, raids would be good. Stream titles would be good. I'm just not sure how they should work. See, there's a few ways I could get stream titles to work, right? So one way I could do it is with text, right? So I could just open up Notepad and say, I could do that and then just copy it and say, okay, assistant, stream title this, and then she'll grab that clipboard data and then set the stream title on any platforms that we're streaming on. Or I could do it by voice recognition, but the problem with voice recognition is not very accurate, so God knows what I'm going to be setting my stream title to. But I could put both systems in, I guess. I'll probably just put both in and then see which one I find works better. And then once I've got to doing all this stuff on Twitch, I need to figure out how to get her to do it all on YouTube at the same time, because obviously then I'm saving myself quite a lot of clicks. And as for categories, I also want to try and get her so that she will detect what game I'm playing, because I can do that. I can definitely do that. She can monitor processes on Windows and stuff. So
I'm ready.
Ideally, what I wanted to do is I want to get her to a point where she's like, okay, so let's say this is my stream now. I don't know why I said that. But yeah, let's say I do this right now and I'm like, okay, you know what?
I'm ready, meow.
Let's check out Snowbreak for a sec. If we could ever get into it. Ideally, what I would like her to do. Why is this game so scuffed? This is actually ridiculous. Does everybody have this issue with Snowbreak? Is it in program files? My God, will you just open the fucking launcher? It just closes immediately. It's getting worse.
On Twitch, Alexandria_Z says, Snowbreak being scuffed is like water being wet.
Yeah, true. Seriously, this is actually insane. I feel like I might need to reinstall it. The problem is I'm not 100,000,000% sure what my account details are for it, so I don't want to. I probably have it saved somewhere. Oh my God, finally opened. How many attempts was that? It's definitely getting worse, right? So like when it first started happening, it would take like 3 attempts to open it. So whatever is happening, it's getting worse. And now I have to like, that took about 32 attempts before the launcher finally opened and stayed open. I don't know what the hell is going on there. But I literally can't get into the game. Yeah, so ideally what she would do now is she will see that in Task Manager, right? She'll see that a process just started called Snowbreak, or whatever it's called. I imagine it's called Snow or something. Oh, there it is, T-game. There you go. She can see that Snowbreak containment's on. And then what I would like her to do is basically say to me now, oh, it looks like you're playing Snowbreak. Would you like me to change the stream category for you? And then I can be like, yeah. Or maybe I'm just, you know, fucking collecting gems and I can say, nah, it's fine. But then I'll get the option of a yes or no, and then that would be pretty cool. Because then she already knows what game I'm playing. We have a poll. We have one. Come on, come on, come on. 51 of 80. Can we get it early? Can we get it? Oh, no, we can't. God damn it. Take those though. Are we? How do we? I always end up cap. This thing caps. I was only in it last night as well. It's like caps like halfway through a day. I hate these things when they do that. It's just to try and get you logging in like multiple times a day. Like, how about you just give me resources? This is what I like about Star Rail, especially now that they've given the energy overflow. You can jump in Star Rail.
Snowbreak is like Nicker with absolutely no flair or joy. This game is joyless LUL.
Yeah, I can see what you mean. It is a bit stale. There's something kind of stale about it. I know what you mean.
Sounds like a wild ride on the Star Rail. Who's ready to jump in and join the fun?
Yeah, that's what I like about Star Rail is that you can jump in that game every 3 days now and not really lose any energy as a result, which I think is nice. You know, you can just jump in once every 3 days and then just grind it. But yeah, I'm not a fan of these games where it's like, oh, you know, if you don't log in 3 times a day, you know, you're gonna be falling behind. It's like, yeah, there are other things to do, you know. Oh, we could do this. Let's do this one. Just gotta top my vape up. Oh, but yeah, I'm so glad that Cat can now actually do freaking mod stuff on Twitch, because I've wanted that since the very beginning. But none of the APIs with Unity work at all, and now I know why. I got 2 of these, so I can actually do this twice. I must have not done it yesterday or something. Yeah, so you have to like handle all of the API calls like yourself. Which took me a little while to learn how to do that. And yeah, that Twitch token thing was a giant pain in the ass because it's very, very temperamental. It'll only let you do your own channel with your own account with full scope authorization, and oh my god, it's crazy. Like I say, getting money out of my bank account is less hassle than that. I don't want to be her. The only reason I'm her is because whoever I played with last time was Etchel. How dare you. Skittles! I used to stream as the name Skittles years ago. Yeah, when I streamed previously before I was Captain Copium, I was Skittledubs. It just reminded me. Go on, it's waiting for me. That was a cock rocket, that, if ever I saw one. That was definitely a cock rocket. You can't fool me. Okay, recover a small amount of ultimate energy after a critical hit. That sounds good to me. Alright, let's go. Frame rate! Hello? What the hell was that? What is going on with my frame rate? Get him, Skittle! Come on, you play my old waifu, so you've got to do it justice. My old waifu. Oh my god, that makes it sound like Etchel's my new waifu. No, I promise, FBI, it's not like that. Right. Come on, get him! Right in the dick. There you go, he's dead. Can we get some more buffs? We can. PogChamp, ooh, Gund. PogChamp! Imagine having PogChamp in your name. If take no damage 5 seconds, increase standard skill damage. Kinetic damage. I do kinetic damage. Let's go. Hee hee! Ha ha! 1 leg down already! Woohoo! Meh! Use it! Thank you. Whatever. Sprinting gains ultimate energy. I'll take it. We'll sprint a lot. Watch me head. Is that it? Oh my god, we barely got here. Atarashi! Atarashi, onegaishimasu. Hi. Oh. Black Ice Alley. You can slip on black ice. Yeah, I'm down again, to be honest. Oh no, somebody else wants to be Etchel. We both chose the same two characters. That's hilarious. SP Finks, a man of my own tastes. Looks like his two favourite characters are my two favourite characters. That was hilarious. Okay, we don't do electrical. Oh, I don't like that. Increase all elemental damage by 15. Let's go with that. Ow, you bitch. Isn't that a rip-off of those things from Star Wars? Wasn't that identical to something that was in Star Wars? I can never see this shot because it's the same colour as the bloody background. Reduce damage taken, we don't care. Crit rate up, let's do that one. Where is it? 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 Nice. Crit rate up again. Nah. Let's go with that one.
Pew pew. What's up, Space Cadet? Ready to blast off into some gaming fun?
Space Cadet. Random as hell there. I'm the captain of this ship. I am no cadet.
Now if only you could fix her soy boy responses and comments.
Well, I can experiment with that, to be honest.
Phil's Gaming _68 says, it's the donkey killer lol.
Yeah, I need to find. You would know exactly where. I need to find a good place to glide my donkey off of. I'm struggling with that. But yeah, I think they're going to take that away, so I need to do that before they get rid of it. I love that. Gliding donkeys. How are you? Okay, I did my 2 ones of these, so that was fun. That must have given us some kind of reward, yes. Mooney. Good old moolah. And then, actually... I hate this one though. Because at 4 and 4 it gets pretty grindy, but you know what? Go on then, let's give it a go. There's nothing else to do in this game right now. Better than nothing, I guess.
The hunt begins.
I hate the way he does that. He's so annoying.
Getting ready for work while AFK cooking.
Ah, nice. Yeah, I had a takeaway last night. That was delicious. But now I'm sad because it's all gone.
I won't even remember it in a minute.
So whatever I eat tonight's going to be somewhat
But it's fine. I'll have more.
somewhat disappointing, I think. Right, so I've got to get this gun on the left because there we go.
Leave it to me.
Come on, reload.
Alexandria _Z says, today for me is barbecue day.
Oh, I'm jealous. I haven't had a barbecue in years.
My turn. Let me take you to do it.
I love a good barbecue. And we've got one because I'm living with my parents right now, and they've got a really nice one actually in the garden. But I just think I don't know, they're old now, and I guess they don't want to mess about with it. But I'll be like, hey, set it up. I'll sort that out.
I'll deal with this.
I can get us a nice barbie going. Have the weather for it. Ah! This guy's really annoying. Okay, come on, reload. God damn it. Okay, you know what I need to do? I need to heal. That's what I need. Oh, I do. I need to heal. Oh, I'm gonna die. This guy is so annoying. Where is he? Oh, he's so annoying. I am screwed, aren't I? I waited to heal too late. Okay, let's use her like last resort thing.
Supplies.
And heal while we do this.
Futile.
Yeah, so for the healing, you've got to stand within the circle, the blue circle that you can see. I only get healed while in that. I'm taking freaking damage now. That wasn't hitting me! There's no way that wasn't hitting me! Ah! Ah! Oh, this is not going well. Okay.
Alright, fine, sure. This helps?
What does this do? Tell me this heals everybody at least.
Hang back.
Does
I'll
it?
deal with
I don't think it does, you know. Ooh. Or maybe it did. I think I got some health off that. Oh my god, will you stop it? I hate this guy. Hit this guy. Hit this guy. Hit this guy. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. No. No. Don't want your balls on my face, thank you very much. You big yellow balls.
Supplies.
No! Stop it! Stop it! Why aren't you... Right, freeze him. Freeze him. You've got a freeze thing. Why aren't you freezing him? Her ult hasn't come up at all in this. I'm dead now. Piece of shit. Ugh! Okay, you know what? Screw off Joseph the Hardened. Who calls himself Mr. Hard, really? That's just disgusting. Alright, what about this fiend? He's probably even more annoying. But we'll give him a go.
Do I really have to go on a mission in a swimsuit? This should be quick. Are you sure you're best?
I'm not going to say it because I say it every time.
Why don't these guns auto-load? Does nobody think about these things? You are bound.
Come on. Get him in the head. In the head. Lovely. Lovely. Beautiful.
I'm kind of tired.
Whoa. No, not today. Not today. Here we go. Ult.
Raise the pressure. Raise the temperature.
Good lord. Tit for tat that was. He's like, oh yeah, you want to get your death beam out? Well, have some of this.
Don't come over. You are bound.
I don't think he is, to be honest. Ow, 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 no! Stop, stop, stop it! Stop, no, stop it!
Are you sure I'm your best choice?
You're my only choice right now. What else am I going to do? Ow! Stop it! Stay! Down, down, boy.
Let's get this party started.
Why is
Time
she
to
so
have some
loud?
fun.
She's a bit loud in my ear. Okay, let me turn it down a bit.
Raise the pressure.
Probably because the speakers are up a bit.
The temperature.
Oh no! You can't do that to me. No, no, it's not right.
Situation is under control.
Get him in the head. Get him in the head.
Don't come over here.
Come on! All she ever does is reload. Stop it! Oh my god! He's got like a full health bar. How? I've been in here for 10 minutes.
Reloading.
It just feels like 10 minutes. Probably just feels like 10 minutes. Ow!
It's nothing.
Woo!
Not a problem.
Oh! Go on, go on, go on. In the head, in the head, in the head, in the head. Watch it. Ooh. Okay, we got it. We got looking good. We're going well. We're not, because I've taken like 3 pixels of health off him this whole time. Yeah, they get a bit too grindy, these. I don't mind doing them at 1, 2, and 3, but 4 and 5 are just stupid. Do your ult! Oh my god, will you just calm down? Why is he on? He's a dog, he shouldn't be on crack. It's ridiculous. I feel like Etchel's the only one actually doing damage to him.
You are bound.
I think slow and steady with Etchel's the way to do this one. Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? I don't like this. Oh, I forgot. I've got to shoot these. Oh, I screwed it up now. What? Why are they so? Oh, you know what? There's no way I can do that in the time it's given me.
What's going on in the game right now?
I'm getting... Fuck you! What a prick! What an absolute prick!
I can't believe how loud the old cat sound was.
Oh yeah, I know, that used to scare the bejesus out of me. Yeah, this one's much better. Right, to the old folks home. How are you doing, loves? Have you been taking your medication? Yeah, you're all behaving yourselves. We've got bingo tonight. Nice blue rinse, love. It's looking good on you.
Phil's Gaming _68
smells like old people,
says, You should try out the free app MetaHuman.
Oh, I saw you did a video or something on that. What is it though? Isn't it? Don't you need a Meta VR thing for it? Or is it something else? I have no idea what it is. Let's see. Is this it? I think so. No! I don't want to play.
No, just PC.
So what even is it? I don't even know what it is. Why aren't we able to interact with her? This is so annoying. Right, because I've got to do this, and then random event. This is so annoying. Okay, apparently I got an achievement for that. And my trust level increased. Oh, which I have a story. I get rewards for this. Bitter. Skip. Okay, and I got a new avatar as well. Nice. Wonderful. Totally worth being in old folks home every day for that. Totally worth it. Alright, I can't even pick any more of those up apparently. I'm maxed out. So we'll just leave, I guess. MetaHuman. Actually, let's ask Kat. Assistant! Assistant! MetaHuman. Assistant!
You easily create a realistic human char, then you can export him to almost anything.
What is
you could even upgrade
MetaHuman?
Cat.
I just want to see what she says. You easily create a realistic human character and then you can export them to almost anything.
A metahuman is a human being who has a meta gene, a genetic mutation,
What?
being on par with mutants in the Marvel universe, and post-humans and gen active in the Wildstorm universe, which when activated
Oh yeah, she's
can
not.
give them
Wait, no, because I said to
superhuman
look it up,
abilities.
didn't I?
The term metahuman was first coined by the alien dominators, and it has been used to describe any human being with what are commonly described as superhuman abilities.
Okay, so that's not what we were wanting to find out about. There's my new avatar that was lit up. We don't want to use it though. Yeah, I mean, if I would need to find something that I would want to see. I would make something like that if I found something I would want to use her in. You know what I mean? Like if there was a game that supported it or some app that I used that supported it, then that would spur me to make one. Because the problem is I spend ages in these character creator things, and I would just feel sad if I made a really good looking thing and then there was nothing I could, you know, use her with. But as you can see from like Cat and stuff, I have methods for making characters already and stuff, so I guess I'm just kind of tied into that pipeline now because I've spent so much money with them. It does a good job though. I think the characters it makes is really good. But yeah, if I ever come across an app that, you know, supports it or whatever, then maybe I'd consider it, but at the moment I wouldn't have a clue what I would even use one in. I imagine if it's Meta, it's the whole metaverse, what do they call him? Facebook guy, right? So it's going to be all his stuff, I would imagine. I'm going to watch your video on it, maybe shed some light on it for me. What was lit up? There's nothing was lit up. I thought something was lit up. Apparently not. Alright, well there's nothing to do in here today. Oh yeah, there is. There's one more pull to do. Let's do it! I knew there was something I was going to do. I think we'll have a 50-50 chance at her actually, because normally drops at around 70.
Haha, sounds like quite the adventure. Keep up the creativity and enjoy the process.
Yeah, there's not a lot to do in there. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of do want to jump into Black Desert, but I don't know because it's a big commitment. That's the thing. Do I want to commit to replaying through Black Desert right now? Because especially if they've changed the way seasons work, it's not like there's any immediate hurry to do it. I've got till November for the hammer thing. Although the donkeys thing, I don't know. When does the donkeys thing go away? That's my only concern, is when do they take the flying donkeys away from us? So black desert gliding donkey. You know where I found out about it is if I opened the launcher, it came up while it was installing and I was like, wait, is that what I think it is? Gliding donkeys? What? So immediately I was like, okay, I've got to find out about this. Why doesn't it just log me in? Seriously? Pearl Abyss, you can't just... Oh, it says there, auto login. Okay, I guess I click that. Okay. Okay, so the hammer I've got till November. No, no! Donkey! Where's the donkey? There it is, donkey. Okay. So how long do we get? Till April 9th? Oh my god, we've only got a few days. Yeah, I need to do this donkey while it's here. Why would they take it away from us? I don't understand. Can't we just keep it? That is literally my character right there. It's like this event was made for me, but I noticed that this event's been running. Is this like an annual thing? Because there's videos from like 2 years ago of people doing it as well. What's the majestic Donku Anot? Isn't that basically a donkey donut? With any class you want. You cannot get it to go that high. They make it look easy. It's not. All you got to do is see my stream from last night to know that it's not. Ends in sudden death. Yes, we've only got till April 9th. When is that? Tuesday. Oh my god. Yeah, that's not very long, is it? Alright, it's got to be done. Let's change the stream title. We have to succeed at a good... I need a nice good glide before I'll be satisfied. Because at the moment all I've done is smacked his face into several cliffs and killed him on the spot. So it hasn't really gone as planned. Alright, and I need my DS4 up, don't I? For this game. Connect me, connect me. Alright, it should be connected by the time it starts. There we go. So they were working on a new game as well, weren't they, Pearl Abyss? When's that come out? I don't think it looks like my kind of thing, though, to be honest. It looked a bit too like medieval, like Western RPG style. I prefer the sort of anime. Although this, I mean, this has kind of got a bit of both, really. It almost kind of mixes the two, I feel. It's got a lot of medieval type stuff, but it's also got like the, so you know, a lot of the anime type stuff as well. Whereas the other one looks much more sort of Western medieval-y type stuff. So if we jump on Olivia 3 for now, because this is she's not a seasoned character, and then maybe I'll try and convert her to a seasoned character or something. I'll just make a new one, I don't know. God, that's up close and personal. What the hell? Why are you staring into my soul like that? Ah! Alright, terrifying. Right. Okay, so we rolled our dice. We should be near a stable now, I think. Let me see. I need to do this. Stable. Okay, it's literally just over there. Close the menu. How do I sprint? Can I not sprint? And I can... Yeah, it's like if you do the auto pathing thing, I think she moves faster than she does manually. For some weird reason. Now I did find a nice tower around here, but it all ended poorly for me. So let's see. I need to get my donkey out. Nice. Not you. Shut up. Shut go away. Get the bugger off. Okay, get on the donkey. Right, good. Okay, there's a tower around it. Get out my way, idiot. My God. This town, honestly. Get out the road. Okay, I've got a mission to complete, and it's time sensitive. I'll have you know. Wait, am I going the right way? Where's the tower? I'm going out of the city, aren't I? Where's the tower? Oh my God, this thing handles like crap. Okay. So there was... Oh my God, I might need to get off the donkey because I literally can't control my camera on this thing. And it wasn't that one. Let's have a look at the map. It was... Where was it? It was this one. This is the tallest structure here. Okay, so nav me to that. Let me zoom in. Nav me to this tower here. Okay. Where is that? It's this way. Get on. Get it. Go. Go. Just gallop. Go on. Giddy up. Okay. Good. Right, let me see if I can figure it out, because that's the tower there. She's going around this way. Is she going the right way? She kind of stopped. Okay, there's the tower over there. Well, it's nowhere near where I said. What the hell? That's not where the tower is. Oh my God, why is this donkey so fucking slow? Right, come on. Once he gets going, he's alright, but like, it takes a month to get going. Come on! Will you just move it, blood? Tell me to go this way now. Can I go this way? Okay. Right, I don't want to go that way. It's lying to me. The tower I want is this way, I think. Why won't this fucking thing move? Why is it so slow? And where's the tower? It goes faster than this. I don't know why it's being so slow. Right, where's that tower gone? Oh my God, this donkey is slower than a frickin'... I can walk faster than this. You know what? I actually can. Should I just... Let's get off the donkey. I feel like it's definitely... Yeah, it's slower than the way I normally... Just my normal run. But once he gets galloping, he's fine, but he just doesn't want to gallop for whatever reason. Right, I don't know. How do I get to this tower? Looks like I go this way. Yeah, for some reason it didn't, like when I clicked on the map to path, I think it was confused about where I actually wanted to go. It didn't set it to that tower, I don't think. But I should be able to figure it out. I was up there last night.
Looks like you're having a leisurely stroll in the game. Maybe the donkey needs a coffee break too. Horseface hot beverage.
Well, I have killed him several times at this point, so I think he needs more than a coffee. But that's beside the point, right? We're on a time limit here. Right, how do I get... Yeah, I think I remember. I go around this way. And I can go this way. And there's a tower. Where do I get to it? Am I going the right way? I think I'm going the right way. Yeah, I remember going past these stringy herbs yesterday. I am going the right way. Okay, and then I think I go up here. Okay, and then we can get these stairs. Go on, go on, go on, keep going, keep going. Got a ways to go yet. Okay. Right, so this is the... I mean, maybe... I don't know which side to jump off. We don't want... Because he does descend quite quickly. Let's just go around this way. So oh, I can't go around that way. I have to go around the outside. Oh, Jesus, that was close. I don't think I want to jump off that side. I think this is... Is this the side we jump off? But I can also get up higher, actually. My frame rate's tanked. I think this is the side I want to jump off. There's lots of, like... It feels like there's a lot of places to go from there. But you can also go up a ladder, but this ended badly. So maybe I want to try from here first. Now, let's try from here first. So if I call my donkey... Why isn't it giving me my mouse? There we go. Call mount. Press control again. Triangle. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, this is probably not going to go well. How do I thought he had like gallopy skills. How do I set his skills off? I should probably learn this before I get up here, right? I see, the way I remember it in my brain is I thought I held down one of the triggers and it brought up a list of his skills, and then I could fire off one of his triggers like run, run, run or whatever. But that doesn't seem to be doing anything, so I don't know. D-pad doesn't do anything. I was sure there was some way to trigger his skills like that. Wait, what? I can sit backwards on a donkey. That's weird. Why is that even a thing? Why is that even a thing? What the hell? He's not a friggin... Okay, apparently I can just sunbathe on a donkey, whatever. How do I stop that? Stop that at once. This is... Thank you. Okay, I gotta press triangle to get it back. Alright, let's try... That was weird. What is jump?
What the hell is not a freaking donkey?
Go! Oh shit, I've got off him. I didn't mean to do that. Ah, your mount is raring to go. Yeah, sure he is. Right, come on, you can do it. How do you jump? Oh, why doesn't it work for me? I need to figure these donkeys out. And now I'm stuck. I can't even get over this wall, I don't think. What is jump? Oh my god. Maybe the shy donkeys are weird or something. Maybe they work differently. Use item. What does that do? That's so I can give him carrots and shit. Give him a carrot then. Maybe that'll cheer him up. Mount use. Rest mount. Open inventory. Mount information. Maybe mount information will tell me what the buttons are. Probably not. Yeah, these. How do I get these friggin' skills to activate? Inventory. Can I drag these into inventory? No. Exclusive skill for shy. Pushes target upon hit. Yeah, I've forgotten how to bring these skills up. Okay, it says here, but again, it's keyboard buttons, right? I need controller buttons. But apparently down and F to hind kick, up and shift for run, run, run. So that would suggest maybe forward and a button. It's not that one. Forward and a button. That's not it. Is that it? No, but that does make him go a little quicker. Oh, that one's not that one. Oh, wait. I just made him do the... Okay, that made him do one of them. That was circle on my controller. Okay. He doesn't want to do run, run, run. Can you jump? I thought you could jump on these. What does that do? Okay, wait. That's... Oh, there we go. Okay, it's left trigger. There we go. That gets his speed up. And can I jump? Oh, there we go. Now I've got jump. So if he's running, then you can jump. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Ooh! Oh, we're doing it. Ooh! Oh! Okay. That went better than the previous times. I figured the buttons out now. So, oops. I'm sorry, my old pal. Don't worry, we'll get you back. So basically, it was left. It was L2. And then cross on PlayStation controller. Or A on Xbox. Basically, button south, it's called in Unity. I know this isn't Unity, but it's just probably a good name for it if you don't want to name buttons by their brand of controller, if you get what I mean. Okay, interact.
See some horses.
Stable. I guess we have to recover first. Take out. Okay, now we're getting the hang of it. Okay. And I should be able to call him from the tower. So, where do we come from? I feel like we came from this direction, didn't we? I think we did. Yeah, but that's because I jumped off the tower. It's probably not the way back up to the tower. I think the way back up to the tower is the other way. I could be wrong, though. I mean, the tower is there. Yeah, no, I think I'd go around here. Okay. Right, what's her sprint? No, it's the same button. But yeah, I think the problem is sometimes she has two stances, right? She has like fighting stance and non-fighting stance. So L2 only sprints when she's in non-fighting stance, I think. That's what's been confusing me. Okay, we're starting to get a feel for the controls again. I gotta figure this out now. There's... Can I not just get in from this side? Apparently not. Oh, where are you going? Oh. Okay, it's this. This is a tower as well, right? There's some stairs. I bet that's just houses, isn't it? Yeah. What about this one? How the hell do we get up there? I went around in a big circle like an idiot. I don't think that was the tower I was on, but that was the tower I was originally looking at, I think. Or maybe it was. Can I get in this way? Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Oh no, this was. I think this is a different tower, isn't it? Where the hell am I? Is there other stairs up here? Nope. Yeah, maybe that wasn't the tower I was up last time, actually. I thought it was, though. No, it must be the one back here. There's another one back here. It must have been that one there. How do we get to it? This is it. I recognise that plant at the end of the... Found it.
I feel the need to tell a joke. Did you see they made round bales of hay illegal in Wisconsin? It's because the cows weren't getting a square meal. LOL.
Okay, there's a ladder around here. There it is. Okay, I'm feeling more confident now about my donkey controls. I want to close. I don't know why I've got a million icons up there though. I'll just get rid of those. Key guide. How do I get rid of that? Why is that up? Okay, it went away now. Thank God. And again, right, when you just fix your goddamn interface so that it gives me controller buttons when I'm using a controller instead of keyboard buttons.
Alexandria_Z says, I think cat is beginning to give me permanent brain damage.
Why is that? With the jokes. That one wasn't too bad. It also wasn't the best. Right, okay, so call mounts. So now we know. We get on the donkey. Get on the donkey. Okay. Square is sprint.
Gaming_68 says, they cut the 12 rift bosses down to 6 a week and you get double rewards.
Alright, let's go. They were quite funny. They were quite fun actually. Yeah, I might give that a go. But I need to get the hang of combat again, and I've completely forgotten how to make her do all the spins and somersaults, and she was really, really fun. I can't get her to do any of it right now. So I've got to learn the controls again, I guess. Which is one of the reasons I want to maybe start a new character, because it must have taught me or something, you know what I mean? Like going through the seasons last time. So maybe that's what I need, is to just like go through all the tutorials again, because I think I'll get some good stuff for this main character off the season character, right? And I can gift it to her or whatever. So I don't really see a downside to that. All right, let's give it a go. No, why isn't he jumping? Why isn't he jumping? Why isn't he jumping? No, why isn't he jumping? Okay, he didn't jump. Why did he jump? He jumped last time when I sprinted. Okay, that's another donkey. I don't know how many donkey deaths this is at this point. Yeah, he doesn't jump. I think he needs like more of a run before he'll jump. I think that's why. See, can you tell me where this is, Phil? Right, there's a video here of someone doing it, and I need to find out where this is. Where is this? Do you know? I need to go to this place here. I thought it was in Calpheon, but now I'm not so sure. There, that's what I want to do. This is all I want. Where is that? Oh, that's so good. I want to do that. Oh! It like literally tanks the entire game. It's great. Isn't that Calpheon? I don't know where that is. You recognise anything?
Looks like Calpheon.
Yeah, but I've been up. I can't find any of the towers to climb up other than the one that I'm on, and it's not the one I'm on. But it does, yeah, you're right, it does look like Calpheon, doesn't it? Because I think I seem to remember this bit here, where they land. But like, right now, I couldn't, like, go there or anything, because I've been out of the game too long. Okay, I gotta learn these controls again. Challenge. Okay, so how do we do these rift bosses? I need to do these again. So if we do a normal, that's not going to be too bad, right? A normal should be fine. Red Nose, I remember him. There we go. It should have. It's tracked me to him. Okay, I need a horse though, don't I? My horse is dead. Okay, get me to a stable first. Where'd that go? Of course it's the other way. Of course it is. I've forgotten how tiny this character is.
Open up map, look for closest one. They are all about the same in hardness.
Oh, I don't know. I don't remember them all being the same in hardness.
Are you here to see some horses?
Let's see. So if we recover, I'll get my fast horse back out, Maximus. I think. Oh, he's not here though, is he? Oh, bollocks. We'll have to use Clip Clop. Because Maximus is all the way in Bear and I have to wait 10 minutes for him. So whatever, I'll use Donkey for now. He'll be fine. Alright.
Just depends on your play style, how hard they are.
Well, that's the thing, I've got to learn the controls again. So my playstyle will be trying to learn the controls again, which won't go well. Okay, so are these them? These red things? Is that them? Or is it these ones? It's these ones, isn't it? I think it's these ones actually. Dim Tree Spirit. Yeah, I think it's that one. Okay, let's go there then.
The red circles.
But just out of curiosity, what does the game say the difficulty is on Dim Tree Spirit? Difficult or wonderful? Well, this should go well. Alright, because I haven't a clue what the controls are. I've forgotten them all. So maybe this should be like my gauge, you know, is like, okay. Alright.
Looks like you're in for an exciting challenge with the Dim Tree Spirit. Good luck, and remember to stay focused and have fun.
Yes, boss. Oh, he's not using run. I need
Just
to click.
try and stand behind him as often as possible.
So maybe the thing should be like, okay, if I die here, if I can't do it, then I start a new thingy.
The hay take more damage from behind.
I start a new character. But if I can win this on my first attempt, then maybe I don't need to start a new character just yet. Right, I don't want to get too close on my donkey or my donkey will get killed probably. Now I know I've murdered my donkey several times over the last few days, but I don't want him getting killed in a fight. He has to die for a good cause, right? And gliding donkey is
I
good
find
cause.
him easy and shiny if the easy one's hard lol.
Yeah, but you know what you're doing, don't you? I don't. Okay. I don't want to get too close on the donkey, so we'll go the rest of the way on foot, I think, because we're very close now. In fact... Oh god. Oh god. Oh god! Okay, so fight is R3. Right now I'm in fight mode. That jumps. I didn't really use that before. How do I get it to do those spins and stuff? How do I get it to do that? Wasn't it that one? Wasn't it that one? Oh, what happened to all my controls? I remember using shoulder buttons and stuff to get it to do like spins, but she's not doing it now. Are there like different control settings? Maybe I've got like the wrong control settings on or something. I wonder if that's it. I definitely feel like her controls are different from the last time I played. I can't get it to do anything I could do before. Okay, I'm supposed to get behind him, you said, didn't you? Gotta fucking move right now. How do I do that? Roll, roll. She's just stuck against him. That's not working. I can't even get fucking behind him. Okay, I found that healing. I told you she could heal, didn't I? Okay, that sprints. Okay, that's useful for getting on the other side of him, I guess. Oh my god, get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! It just says he's immune. What the hell? But then it also says critical. So I don't know how you can have a critical immunity. I'm immune! I'm immune to the flu this year. But it left me in critical condition. that doesn't make sense. Why is he going red? What the hell? That can't be good. Oh, you're right. It takes loads more damage from behind. Hell yeah, that's how we do it. Come on, move! What are you doing? Oh my god, I cannot control this character right now. She will not do anything I say. She might still be salty about the fact that I abandoned her and left her in the middle of the mountains, in the middle of nowhere for 9 months. I mean, you know, I had other things to tend to.
Alexandria_Z says, that is Dungeons and Dragons random type thing. Critical miss LUL.
Right, he's half dead. I'm doing alright actually. I mean, I'm not, because I can't get it to do anything that I actually want it to do right now. But at the same time, I feel like I'm not really struggling too much, although I did take a lot of damage there. I can't get it to do that heal again. Get up!
Haha. Sounds like a tough situation.
There we go,
Keep
we
pushing
jump.
Through. You got this.
I got it. Okay, I got to heal back. I got to heal back. I've got to figure these controls out again. I think I am going to start a new character on, because I want to go through the tutorials again, to be honest. At least until I get a good feel for Shy again. And then I'm probably happy to jump back into this character again. But right now I cannot get it to do anything. What happened to all those spins she used to do? I swear I'm pressing the same buttons as before. But then again, it was a while ago. I don't know if I remember them properly. Come on, you fuck. No idea what the buttons do. Why isn't she doing anything? This is so frustrating. Okay, now she's throwing a boomerang again. I think maybe I accidentally took myself out of fighting stance, you know? Maybe that's what happened. Ah! Oh my god, I wish I could control this character. She won't do anything that I had her doing before. How do I fucking do those spins? Those were so cool. I can't get her to do a single one. I don't know what the fuck is going on with the controls. I need to do the tutorials again, definitely. I need to start a new character so I can learn it all again. Like I said, I even wonder if maybe I had like some kind of control scheme active. It almost feels like, you know, like sometimes a game will give you like classic controls and new controls. Like it feels like it's on the wrong control scheme or something to me. Like something like that, because she does not control anything close to how I remember her. Oh my god, will you fucking get up? Right. Why isn't she doing anything?
I feel the need to tell a joke. My wife told me to rub the herbs on the meat for better flavor.
I can't even fucking move.
That's sage advice. LOL.
I can't. This is a bad idea to like start straight with the boss. Like I need to get used to the controls with smaller enemies. I think. Fucking hell, I can't even move. I can't even move. Why is she so slow? What is she doing? She won't even evade. Right, I've got to learn these controls again. I can't believe how frustrated I am right now. All she does is get stunned, get stunned, get stunned, get stunned. Look at how slow she's moving. I'm just trying to get behind him and she won't even move. What is happening? Okay, again, I think I accidentally came out of fighting stance or something. I'm close to having him, but like, I'm also close to death as well. Jesus Christ, just let me fucking move, will you please? All I'm doing is being stunned and it's so frustrating. I don't believe this. I do not believe this. Look at how close I am. I can't even fucking move. I hate this fighting stance thing because like... Oh my god, what are you doing? She won't even move. She just got stuck there for no... Yeah, no, there's something weird going on. She's like rotating. Is there like an auto target or something? She's not even rotating where I'm pointing her. She's like rotating. There must be some weird like auto target lock on thing that's really fucking me up. I think that's why she won't do her spins as well. Yeah, if I look at her now, she's like... It's like she's locked on. And it's making it so that I literally can't rotate her properly. If I actually do this, this will be unbelievable because I have had zero control over my character this whole time. Why won't she go into fighting stance? Why isn't she going into fighting stance? Wait, now she's in fighting stance. Jesus, this is so frustrating. Move! I've got to learn these controls again. This is so frustrating. Oh my god, I had 5 HP left. I could not control her in the slightest. Oh my god, what is going on with those controls? There's got to be some settings thing there that's different. There has to be. Why won't it take me into settings, for fuck's sake? Hello? Settings? Oh, I've got to go to settings again. General settings. Quality of life. Aim assist. Maybe that's fucking me up. Assists with turning and movement. You know what? I'm going to turn both of these off. Because something is not right here. Let me turn both of those off actually for now. I bet it's this. Maybe aiming assist isn't bad, but I bet this one's fucking me up. Assist with turning and movement. Yeah, that's what I couldn't do. I couldn't turn or move when using basic attacks and certain skills recommended for new adventurers. Okay, let me see if that changes anything. Why isn't she... I wonder if I remapped the controls as well, you know. I don't remember I remember remapping one of the controls, which was the hop skippity fucking whatever it's called. Will she not just throw a thing unless there's an enemy? I thought she would. What is that for? You press R1, she just stops dead. I do not remember that from before. One, two, three.
Phil's Gaming _68 says, have you got pets out to collect the 2 chest drops from him?
Yeah, I forgot all about them actually. I'm too busy just like right now I'm too busy just thinking, okay, I need to get these controls back to whatever they were. How do I get a pet out? Take out. What? You can take out 5. Did that do it? I don't see them. Why is this interface so stupid? It really is though, isn't it? Like I just clicked take out 5 and nothing happened. Take out 4, 3, 2, 1. Are these like sets of pets? Okay, they're sets. Feed all. Take out. Are they in or out? Feed all. Confirm. Okay, they're out now. They're out now. Okay, I forgot all about those. And where was the boss? I don't even know where the boss was. He's down here somewhere, wasn't he? Oh great, I'm getting attacked. I've got like no health. I've got no health, I'm gonna die. Right, I have to just get some health before I can do anything. I got 23 health.
Quick, find a health pack before it's game over. You got this.
Oh, shit. He's coming over here again. I don't even know. Let's see. There should be something in my inventory, shouldn't there? What gives me health? This. What about this one? Energy tonic. Restores 50 energy. Energy is something different though, isn't it? It says instant HP portion. But my health's not even... like, I mean, it's not really moving. Great. Fantastic. Thank you for that. Okay, I don't know where that boss was. I'm completely lost right now. I'm just trying to not get killed right now. Apparently this is a new area for me.
Alexandria_Z says, "Oh no, that boss just did like 2 damage to you the whole time is all LUL." Phil's Gaming_68 says, "Your red bar is health, its full other one is mana."
Oh, the red bar is health. Oh, so the green bar is mana. Oh, I thought that was my health bar. Oh, wow, that was freaking easy then? Well, it wasn't easy because it was frustrating as hell because I couldn't control my character.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, I thought the green bar was my health. That's why I thought I was about to die. I was like, oh, fuck, I'm screwed. So that's mana. Okay. Yeah, I wondered why health potions weren't doing anything. I was like, wait, that's not even working? What is going on? Okay, no wonder I've been confused. Right.
Blue pots for mana.
Yeah, I don't think I've got any of those. Well, not in my inventory anyway. It should charge back up anyway, shouldn't it? Right. Miraculous Water of Life. I have no idea what that is. Some of these give like extra life XP buffs and stuff. Right, so I need to find out where that boss was so I can see if there's any treasure, right? How do I do that? Because he's gone off the map now, hasn't he? And I think I kind of... Well, it might be near where my horse is, right? My donkey. My donkey's this way. So surely he's somewhere over there. I'm guessing. Oh man, so I was getting stressed over nothing then? I thought I was dying. I was like, oh no, I'm about to die. Oh. But that was mana.
All chars have a hit move that refills mana, not sure what it is on Shy.
Yeah, me neither. So my donkey, is my donkey dead? He may well be. No, because it would say, wouldn't it, if he was dead? Right, I don't know where that boss was. I think I've lost it now. Unless you can help me find it. Don't you do this every week? You probably know where to go, wouldn't you? There's my donkey. Right, I remember parking my donkey and then going and doing the boss pretty much in a straight line from my donkey, right? So it wasn't the boss up here somewhere? Should be around here, right? What am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. I know he should have dropped some loot or something, right?
Somewhere lol.
Somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, that doesn't really help me, to be honest. Well, we lost one. That's just what it is, right? I'm still trying to get used to things. It's fine, I guess. It's just that was horrendous.
Where was the last place you saw your donkey? Let's retrace your steps together.
I just did that, cat. Couldn't find him. This all just looks the same to me right now because I'm not familiar enough with it. Okay, I need to figure out these controls, definitely. Yeah, these pets eat all your food though, don't they? Well, if you have them out when you don't need them. I seem to remember you have to put them away, otherwise they just use all your food. How do I put them back away? Fuck you, prick. I swear R1 used to do an attack. Now it just makes it stand completely still. I'm sure that wasn't how it was before. Maybe I did remap some buttons before, I have no idea. Right, so I don't know what I should do, to be honest. I don't know if I should just start a new character so I can go through the tutorials again. I think the thing that keeps confusing me is that fighting stance. Like, why doesn't she go into fighting stance when I press attack automatically? Because otherwise it's like two separate characters whether you're in fighting stance or not. They control completely differently. And because it's R3 to get her in and out of that, it's very easy to accidentally hit it and not realise you've hit it. That's a problem. And she's still not doing it. She's in fighting stance now, but she's not even attacking with a batarang or whatever it's called. Batarang. She's Batman. Oh my god, she won't do anything? What is happening to these controls? I need to start a new fucking character so I can go through the tutorial again, because I cannot get it to do shit right now. She's not doing a fucking thing. She does not control how I remember her. Something is off. That's non-fighting stance, right? That's fighting stance. She's just not doing a fucking thing. I'm pressing attack. R2. R2 is what normally gets her to throw a batarang. She's not doing shit. She won't do it. She won't even do it. What is going on? I do not know what the fuck is happening with these controls right now. Jesus Christ. She won't do a thing. Was that... Is that stopping her from throwing a batarang? I think maybe that was stopping her from throwing a batarang. What the fuck? This is so confusing. So what does that one do then? Right, I need to find another enemy. When you want an enemy, you can't find one. When you just want to be left alone while you figure out your menus, you get bombarded with enemies. Where are the fucking enemies?
It's fun fact time. Honey is the only food that does not spoil.
Good lord, show me where the enemies are. This is getting beyond a joke. My donkey's all the way over there. If I head towards my donkey, I know there's enemies there, but like, holy shit, that's very far away. Well, it's gonna path me all the way around through the roads, isn't it? That's the problem. No, there's no way. It's over there. Just go through the fucking forest, for God's sakes. I don't trust that. Just follow the arrow. I don't trust that auto path. It's gonna take me like through 16 towns to get there. Right. Oh, can I get up this cliff though? That's the question. Can I get up the cliff? Yeah, I can get up the cliff. Can I? Can I? Maybe not. Oh no, I'm gonna have to rely on autopath. To be fair, autopath probably does know better than I do. Oh, I can't get up this cliff, can I? Come on, just get up there. There you go. I wish this was Genshin Impact. I just climb this fucking mountain and we'd be done. Oh, oh, I did. I glitched my way over the mountain. And this is going to save me 6 hours. Okay, node manager. I don't think I've ever talked to this one before. Maybe I have. I don't know. No, I hadn't. Knowledge is growing, dragon egg. I'm still not seeing any enemies though. There's one. Okay. So R3 is fighting stance. Yeah, now she's throwing... Okay, now she's throwing a thing. So when I turned that combat assist off, the attack button literally doesn't attack. So unless there's like another button to get your weapon out or something, I don't know. That's kind of weird. Okay, so at least she's attacking now. Right, how the hell do I get it to do those spins and twirls? I thought it was R1 in a direction. I seem to remember pressing R1, or maybe it was R2. But it was one of the triggers, right? Like R1 or R2. And then I would push in a direction I wanted it to do like a spin in. So it was like R2 and right. This is what I remember. Like R2 and right would make a spin round the enemy and while attacking, and it was fucking mint. It's like my favourite attack. It was so good. And I can't get it to do it at all now. Yeah, and she's doing... This is what I mean about the rotate thing. She seems to, like, rotate off. Was there a target lock I was doing before or something? I don't remember. I don't remember locking out targets before. I just kind of aimed at the enemy. Now she's not doing it again. It's like she's just not... I've got her stuck in some mode, I think. I think this is another thing that's happening. She's getting stuck in some weird mode. Yeah, she won't attack again. She's stuck now. She won't attack again. She keeps getting stuck in some weird mode. She won't do it. What is happening? I think it's when her fists glow orange. This is when I have the problem. Okay, now she's in normal. Now she'll do it probably. No, she's not even doing it now. I don't know. She keeps getting stuck. I don't even know what that is. I can't just stand here, can I? She won't do it. She will. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. She will not attack. Good lord, what am I supposed to be doing here? This is insane. Main skills. And again, right, all the fucking buttons. This literally drives me insane. How long has this game been out? Fucking 5+ years. Why is it showing me left mouse button? Like, am I playing on keyboard and mouse? No. Even if I move my controller to auto detect that I'm using a controller, just to remind you, game, it still gives me left mouse button up, left mouse while jumping. That means nothing to me. That means absolutely nothing to me. That doesn't help me at all. Is there a mod for this? This is fucking insane, this. Black Desert controller mod. I can't believe they fucking won't even show you the controls on a controller. It sucks. That's how BDO is with a controller. Unironically good. What game are you playing? Absolutely great. Right, or Simps. Like, let's be honest here. So it's so good that it doesn't show you what the controls are. Black Desert controller.
Time for
prompts.
a joke. You can't run through a campsite. You can only ran, because it's past tense. LOL.
Can't... What? Black Desert, alternate gamepad button prompts. I'm not... Wait, you're playing on PC with a DualSense controller. That's the same as me. Can't find a way to make prompts not show up as Xbox. I would kill for Xbox prompts right now. I don't even get controller prompts. How are you getting Xbox prompts? Black Desert gamepad prompts. Like, what else can I put? Go into settings, turn off the gamepad interface. You should still be able to play with the controller, but it will get rid of the icons at the bottom. Go into settings and turn off gamepad interface. I seem to remember something about this. Gamepad. Use gamepad UI. Okay. I think gamepad UI sucks if I remember correctly though. But if it can just give me at least prompts for the gamepad for a bit, then that might help me. Okay, so this is gamepad UI. Okay. Now I'm even more lost. But if I go into skills, will you at least tell me what the buttons are? Yes, thank you. Okay. Right trigger. So R1, left stick up, RB, swing, swing. See, let's see it again. Right B, left stick up, and RB, or RB while jumping. Yeah, these are the ones that I've been trying to do. Left, that's exactly what I've been doing. Left stick and right, I've been doing that so much. Can be used with your soul. Yeah, this is what I've been trying to do the whole time, but it's not working. I do remember changing, where is it? I remember one of my biggest gripes was the skateboard. Yippee. I had to rebind this because it was causing me no ends of issues. Problem is now I can't remember how I did it.
If your mana rate be out, it stops you using a lot of the moves.
Ah, yeah, that might be it then. Yeah, that might be it. Yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe it's because mana's out. Okay, so I need to let it fully charge then and see if I can get that working, don't I? Right. Do you know how to rebind a skill? I'll Google it. I'll Google it. Black Desert rebind skill. I remember I had to rebind this one skill because it was causing me no ends of problems. You can make more quick slots up to 20 in game and bind them as skills and keys. Other than that, there's no way of rebinding skills without probably macros. That's not true. Because no, I did it before. That's not true.
Not sure, I just use keyboard.
Yeah, I can't play with keyboard. I'm controller all the way. Always have been. Unless it's remembered it from previously. I don't know whether these skills. I don't know whether like no, I can't. Well, I don't know. Maybe. Normally, like game settings aren't stored on server side though. They're normally stored locally, so I would have lost all those because I only installed them. Well, this is a new
Alexandria_Z says, Twirl recovers your MP. It says.
Twirl. So that would be left stick. Yeah, and that's the one I've been trying to do. Yeah, this is the one I've been trying to do. This is freaking amazing, the skill. Okay, let's see if we can get this working. Left stick and right B. Yeah. I said, didn't I? It was a direction and either the right trigger or the right brake. I couldn't remember which one it was. It was one of those. Now what's weird about RB, let me show you what RB's. Oh, now it's okay, it's different now. What the fuck? I swear I've pressed that 6 billion times. And what it's been doing, it's been making her... I demonstrated it earlier. Yeah, now she's doing RB now. I wonder if that's because I changed it to gamepad interface. Okay, she's actually attacking with RB now. She wasn't doing that before. So I can probably get it working now. Yeah, she's doing twirl now. Yeah, this is great. Oh, this is what I remember. But I wasn't using gamepad interface before. Because I can't remember what was bad about gamepad interface, but there's some
You didn't have no mana. You have half now. Don't blow it all on the air.
It recharges mana. So 12 recharges mana. Well, that's what you said, didn't you, Alexandria? I don't know, it doesn't look like it is, though.
When you hit an enemy.
Yeah, okay, when I hit an enemy then. Yeah, so okay, I don't know whether it will count on an elk. Yeah, there you go. So it's fine. No, it's the reason she wasn't doing it, I'm telling you now, the controls are completely different. The reason she hasn't been doing it is because RB was making her, like, stand completely still. Even if I was pushing on the direction, she was just, like, frozen in the spot. I bet it's gamepad. Look, I'll demonstrate it now. I bet it's... If I change back to... Where is it? Gamepad. Simplify UI. Him assistance. So these might be okay on, actually. Well, anyway, I can't remember where I turned gamepad interface on, but that's changed all the controls, actually. And now she's actually doing stuff, everything that I remember. But it's weird because I didn't have gamepad interface on before. I think I started with gamepad interface, and then I realized there are some functions that you simply cannot do them with the gamepad in this game. So I had to turn it off. But it seems like if I turn them off now... Yeah, now she's back. Oh, we're back, baby. This is so much better. So I'll have to address issues as I come across them. Because I know that I'm going to need to change it back at some point. Because gamepad interface doesn't do everything. But it should do for now while I'm just doing combat and stuff. Oh, did I switch between them before? Was I... Maybe I was. Was I constantly switching in and out of gamepad interface? Maybe I was. I don't know. Maybe I was. Alright, so we need... Let's do an enemy. Yeah, I feel much better now. She's actually controllable now. Why isn't this working? I have to press that.
Looks like you're in a dilemma. Switching between gamepad and keyboard controls can be tricky. Maybe try sticking to one for now and see how it goes.
There we go. Right, I need my donkey. Yeah, because in this game as well, the whole game freezes when you switch for like a few seconds. Yeah, now that... Well, that's the thing. Now I'm starting to remember that, yeah, I did have to do that, actually. Because I remember raging about that as well. Like, why can't we just have a single mod that actually works with gamepad? It's all come back to me now. That is frustrating, though, to be fair, as a controller user. Because, yeah, I remember asking... Yeah, that's a fair point, actually. I remember asking, is BDO on PlayStation? Because it may even be worth... And it's like a year or so behind or something. But, or maybe I'm thinking of a different game. I remember gamepad being so bad on this that I was like, you know, this might be worth just playing on console because it's so bad on PC. Gamepad support. Okay, that's very far away. I'll probably find a closer one than that. Right. Yeah, the problem is I'm in gamepad mode right now. So I can't seem to get a mouse pointer.
Phil's Gaming _68 says, yeah, it's on console.
Yeah, I might... I don't have a PS5 though, unless it's on PS4. I might seriously consider that actually, because it's... Gamepad, for whatever reason, gamepad for this on PC is so bad. It's one of the worst I've ever seen. And it ruins the experience, because other than that, it would be great.
Yeah, on PS4.
Where are the bosses? It is on PS4. Yeah, I might try it on PS4 actually. God, I haven't turned my PS4 on in years. Right, so how do I set a waypoint with a controller? There we go, square. Okay, square sets a waypoint. See if we can manage with a controller for now, because at least that I can actually move my character now. Holy crap. Right, and then like, here's another example, right? Automatically use run, run, run. There you go. I got my mouse pointer back by holding control, at least. Yeah, I don't think there's a button on gamepad that does that. I have to navigate to it with the mouse and then tick that box saying automatically use run, run, run. I think. Let me check that. Advertised to me, isn't it? Auto path or auto travel. Well, I'm doing that already. That's not really what I was looking for. But I want to use the run. Slow mounted auto run. Specifically for control though. Press T. Yeah, what is T? Everyone's just saying press T. Like, yeah, I'm on gamepad. Okay, T might be easier than getting the mouse though. Is my keyboard asleep? No, because I just typed something. Yeah, T does nothing, but that's probably because I'm in gamepad mode. So I can't press T either. Let's just press all the buttons. Up brings up wheel. Left. Okay, these are shortcut wheels. Oh, I remember this now. Yeah, that's actually really useful. Okay, so that's how I get to those icons at the top, right? And I think I can customize those. L3, I don't know, that doesn't seem to do anything. R3 also doesn't seem to do anything. Okay, the breaker buttons don't seem to do anything. And the shoulder buttons don't do anything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can't use that function with a controller. So that's just one example, but there are many others. Okay, but it stayed on, so that's good. It stayed on. Okay. Woo! Okay, I'm way too close. Donkey's way too close. He's gonna get killed. Bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. Oh, I feel so glad. So good to be able to control my character again. Oh, yes, look at that. Yes! Oh, this is what I remember. Yes! This is so good. Oh, this is so good. Oh, yes. I can't tell you what a relief that is. I can actually play now. Right, there we go. Yes, it's all come back to me now. Okay, there we go. And then I remember that one. Yeah, that's something. Yeah, that. Yeah, it's all working now. Oh, yes. Yeah, she actually, oh my god, she actually does stuff now. It's great. It's amazing. I can actually control her. Oh my god. What a relief. Ooh. Oh, I think I came out as fighting mode though. There we go. She's back in now. Oh my god, that's so much better. He's dead already. Look at that. There you go. Oh, it's amazing what you can do when you can control your character. It's amazing. Hello? Who are you? He was mate. I'm sorry. Alright. I am obtained. So did that... Do my pets auto loot the chest then? I don't have to open a chest or anything.
You should have 2 chests.
Yeah. Right, I can click with my mouse, but yeah, no, see, I remember this now.
In inventory.
Yeah, so this is so awkward. So because I'm in gamepad mode, it won't let me click anything. And it's like, why? Just let me click it. Like, yes, I know I'm in gamepad mode, but it's easier to do menus with mouse sometimes. And this is a good example. So it's forcing me to go through all the icons. Select. Okay, open continuously. That's fine, I guess. But I wish it would just let me click. I got something good. Is that really that exciting? Okay, yeah, I can press I for inventory as well. So it's weird because it lets me open inventory with I. It lets me move my mouse over things, but if I click, it does nothing because I'm in gamepad mode, which I always found really frustrating. But I'm so glad to have my character back right now that, honestly, I'll rage about that later. Oh man, this is what I remember. This is great. It's so fun. Oh, it's amazing when you can control your character. Yeah, it's weird. It's like... It's so weird. It's like they have two modes. Like gamepad mode and non-gamepad mode. And it's not like gamepad doesn't work in non-gamepad mode, but it doesn't work the way it should. And it's the same for the keyboard and mouse, right? It's not like mouse doesn't work in gamepad mode, but it doesn't do anything. You know what I mean? Like it's weird. It's like I'd rather it either didn't work at all or fully worked. I'd much rather it fully worked, to be honest, because like, you know, let me just mix modes. But it doesn't. So it is what it is. But it's just kind of odd that it looks like it'll work, but it actually doesn't. And that's very confusing as new players. Like, holy crap! Me returning to the game there, wondering why things won't work, and really threw me. Alright, we could kill some of these. Okay, so she's not in fighting mode. There we go. Nope, she's still not in fighting mode. Wait, what? Wait, something's wrong. Why is she not doing it?
Looks like we've got a classic case of looks promising, but fails to deliver here. Maybe it just needs a little extra love and attention to get it working properly. Keep at it.
Yeah, the thing is, they've had 5+ years for that love and attention, and I kind of wish they... It's because, you know what it is? It's because in Asia, right, a lot of the... Like, gamepad is always like an afterthought a lot of the time with these Asian games. Not everyone. Mahoyo do a good job with controller. But a lot of these, for some reason, like Final Fantasy is the same. FF14 is a nightmare on controller. Not as much as this though, to be honest. But it's quite bad. And I think it's because like it's normally like an afterthought, which I wish it wasn't.
Alexandria_Z says 10 years, 2014.
Is it 10-year-old now? I didn't know it was that old. Oh, it's so nice. I've got 12 back. 12 is so good. Yeah, she's back. She's back. This is so good. Wait, what just bit me? Was it one of those spiders? It might be one of those spiders. Alright, nice. So we got more bosses, right? My dice is... Yeah, because it's weird as well. It lets you click some things, but not others. That's what's so confusing about it. So like these icons down here, I can click these. But for some reason, my inventory, like I can hover my mouse and it gives me... So it looks like it'll work, right? Because I can hover my mouse over things and it gives me the descriptions and stuff. But then if I click, it just ignores me. It's like, nope. It's just like, why? Because like it has to be set up that way, right? But why set it up that way? It just seems weird. Because if it was like, oh, well, maybe they're worried about you accidentally clicking stuff, you know, because you're playing with the gamepad. But if that was the case, then why can I click some things but not others? Do you know what I mean? It seems inconsistent. You know me and inconsistencies, like my number one rage inducer is inconsistencies. It just is. she's back. Feels so good. Yeah, the combat is super fun in this game, though. This might be the most I think this might be the most fun combat I've ever had in any game, and that's saying something.
I feel like we need to add community notes feature to Cat LUL now. That would be funny.
Yeah, one for both of us. One for her and one for me. Gaslight GPT. What are these guys doing over here? Whoa, what? That was a bit weird. I felt like I was walking in on something personal there. Okay, is my doggy still alive? Yeah, he's still alive. We're doing good, you know. My doggy hasn't died yet. That's kind of a miracle. Okay, so where's the next nearest thing? You know what's easier, I think, than opening the map? Because I'm not very good at using the map. Is if I set the targets... That didn't work, did it? Why didn't that work? Don't tell me this is something else I can't click. Oh no, it is! It won't let me click these. Did I go offline on stream? It's just the game that disconnected. You clicked so hard you killed your internet. Yeah, so my two options now as a gamepad user is like, okay, I either manually switch back to PC mode to then manually switch back to controller mode just to show me where the boss is. Or I've got to like go in the map manually and find him basically. And to be fair, neither of those are particularly good unless, let me see, is there a shortcut on controller for that? So I have... Oh, there we go. That's how I heal. Okay, so now I'm in controller mode. It is... Oh, yeah, and she's doing that weird rotate thing. I think I kind of remember something about this. This is that rotate thing that she was doing that's kind of weird. Yeah, I don't really like that. Let me see. What is that? Is that aim assist? Yeah, I think that might be an aim assist because now she's not doing it. Okay. Yeah, I prefer it with aim assist off. Yeah, definitely. That's much better. Okay, that's much better. Oh, she's back now. She's back now. Okay, so what I'm wondering is, if I go into that thing that won't work with the controller, I can't really stand it because I'm going to get murdered, aren't I? I need to find somewhere safe. I don't know if there is such a place. No, we're fine. Okay, so let's see. I go to a boss. Okay, no, navigate A. Okay, so... Okay, if I click red nose and press A... Okay, that worked actually. Good. Okay, so I just got to get used to the controller way of doing certain things, I guess. I still don't know why they won't just let you click it or whatever. Well, that's only 750 meters away. How do I call my horse on controller? That's another thing. Okay, none of these have a horse icon, do they? Okay, down is Black Spirit. Yeah, none of these have a horse icon. Do I need to add horse on a shortcut wheel? Maybe this one. Is there anyone I've got left? I don't know. Let's have a look. Xbox? Apparently it's on Xbox as well, isn't it? I wonder what it is on Xbox. Xbox! Black Desert. Call horse. Where's the button? Or if there is a key, maybe I can press the key for it, I guess. Because some keys work, but some don't. Or do I actually have to click it? Okay, so if I that can be clicked. So again, it's just weird, isn't it? It's just so inconsistent. So I don't know how you do that on Xbox or PlayStation. There must be a way. Okay, it looks like I'm going to be fighting something. Oh no, we're not. We're still 700 meters away.
How about we try clicking it and see what happens? Maybe it's a surprise waiting for us.
Okay, cut. Okay, apparently we've got to get over there. Okay, so run turned itself off again. And that's something else I have to click. So it's just, yeah, it's just a weird... It just feels half-baked. The control support on PC, at least, it just feels half-baked. It says LT is run fast, but I think that's when you're in manual mode. Auto sprint. Wait, is auto sprint? No, auto sprint isn't it? Sounds like it is, but it doesn't turn. It doesn't tick that box on and off. So that must be something different. Maybe I can do a better job with the gliding donkey now as well, because I definitely feel a difference with the controls now. Because it was hard, like I was struggling to move my donkey around as well. I'm like, what is going on? Why is it like this? Oh! Oh! Turn around quick! Oh! We're too close! Sprint! Sprint, donkey, sprint! Right, we need to leave him somewhere safe. If there is such a thing. So there's enemies everywhere. He'll be alright there. He'll be alright there. It won't take long. Now we've got our controls back. There he is. Yeah, and I'm right about that as well, right? So she does auto go into fighting stance in this mode if I just press attack. So that was also confusing me. I'm like, wait, I don't remember having to like toggle that on and off manually before. What the hell? Yeah, she does it like this. Which makes sense, right? Because like if you press attack, then obviously you want to be in fighting stance. She won't do it anyway. He's almost dead already. Where is he? Where'd he go? It's dark. I can't see. It's dark. It's dark. Right, and I think I can heal. Let's just make sure I understand. Alright, if I do this... Hang on, I've got enough mana and stuff. This one. Yeah, that heals. Okay, yeah, I'm remembering stuff now. And that's how I've always sustained her. I never had to rely on items before. He's done. Oh, got hit. There we go. Beautiful. Yes, this is feeling good again now. Okay, so we have to manually select the chest and open it with the controller for some reason. Go on in. She's excited about something. That's not that good. Come on. You bit me. And then for some reason my inventory closes, so I gotta go back in and do it again. Okay. Two crod stones. Okay. Now, next one. Dastard Beg. Where's he at? He's 1,200 meters away. Is my donkey still alive? I think so. Sometimes I like to just nav to him. Locate mount is right click. And then just manually get him. Because I know he's close. Okay, get out of fighting stance. There we go. Now we can sprint properly. He's just there. There he is. Yay! Okay, I'm getting a feel for this again. Much happier. That's map. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to go here, and I have to do this with a controller. It's so awkward. And then I should be able to auto path there, but it's trying to make me go straight through that tent for some weird reason. There we go. Okay, now try it. And we're off. Yeah, so it looks like my stream did go off and then came back on because we got another stream elements notification. I wonder if Cat needs restarting. I did something new. Let's see if this works. This is the latest version, I think. Now I can do restart. Did that not work? Okay, I think she's dead. Let's just try now. Probably because we disconnected.
I'm ready, meow.
There we go. Yeah, commands are working on everything now. I added new commands. Alright, we're very close. I should probably get off the horse at this point. Donkey. I don't mind this shy donkey, actually. He's quite fast once he gets going. Okay, I probably shouldn't park him. I've got to stop parking him in the middle of enemies because they'll kill him. Hasn't happened yet, though, in this... I shouldn't speak too soon. But yeah, no, it hasn't actually happened since replaying. If we just get him onto a road, then normally roads are pretty safe. There we go. And then just follow the arrow. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a feel for the controls again. Yeah, wow, it's so weird. Like, it felt so alien. I was like, I knew there was something wrong. I was like, something's not right here. This can't just be me misremembering. Yeah, now I can just like whip in. It's so nice. You whip in, you tap R1. She's ready to go. Straight in there. Yeah, oh, she's back. She is back. I love this character so much. Once you get like a feel for it, oh, it feels so good. She's like unstoppable though. Once you get into the pattern, she just dodges everything. I don't know where the fuck she is. I'm losing it. Oh, I'm losing it. It's like Honkai Impact in a way. You know when you get those combos right and you just get into the flow of it and you're just unstoppable. It's kind of like that. But also if you lose it, if you like lose that pattern, you kind of get knocked off track and it takes you a while to recover. Yeah, I need to use a little dodge as well because that's good. That gets her a little bit further to the left or the right. That one. That's really good. 12. He's got a lot of health, this guy. I wonder if he's one of the extremely difficult ones. The harder ones. Ow. There you go, that's a big attack, that one. Gotta time it right. Yeah, even my mana's like, cause this twirl just keeps the mana up all the time. So I don't have that mana issue I was having now because I'm in the floor.
Let's get this party started.
Ow. Oof. Okay, let's do a heal. There we go. Back to full. She's great. I love this class. Ah, get over the wall! Get over the wall! She got stuck. She got stuck at the wall. Ah. And I cannot imagine playing this with keyboard and mouse. I mean, I don't play on keyboard and mouse anyway, but like when she's working, oh my god, it feels so good. And I think it's a good. I feel like it's perfect for gameplay as well, you know. I'm just shot up now. I'm just shot up. Dodged all, well, most of those. I didn't get knocked down though, that's the thing. Yeah, I'm definitely getting the hang of it again. I got knocked down a lot. He's nearly done. So, I was going to say something, but I'm not. thought I had him there. Look at that, he is almost dead. How is he not dead? What? He's got no health left though. There we go. I don't know what difficulty he was, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, so we've got very difficult and difficult. Let's see where the difficult one is. So we can save the hardest till last. It's not too far away. Right, is my donkey still alive? He is, because his icon's lit. But I can't remember where I put him. Yes, I do need to nav to him first. Which for some reason that didn't work. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay, he's just over here actually, so if I just grab the character. Yeah, I'd forgotten how fun this is. This is so much fun. So good. Alright. Difficult. That one. Should be 3,000. Yeah, 3,000 meters. Well, let's go. And you know what? I'm going to go for a wee. But rather than bring up my new fancy be right back screen, she's gonna auto path anyway, so I'll just leave her on the screen while I go for a wee. Alright, I will be right back. Oh, are we there yet? Are we there yet? No! Pet's frantically trying to keep up with me. So I haven't had any exercise in 9 months. Or however long it's actually been. So let's see, can you make the donkey glide from the land? Let's see, I feel like these controls are back now. Yeah, oh now that's, see it wasn't doing that before. It's probably why I couldn't glide my donkey very well either, because he wasn't jumping that high before. So I think I can do the gliding donkey now as well. So we are in it now, we are doing great. This is great. Yeah, and he's got quite a bit of speed on him, this donkey. For a donkey, I think he's pretty quick. Once he gets going, he's pretty good. But I will admit, compared to like the, you know, whatever it is, the really good horse, one of his biggest downsides is that he uses, if you look at the orange bar there, the yellow one, that's like his stamina. Now you can recharge that by giving him carrots, but I feel like the dream horse like sustains that better. Like, so you very rarely need to give him carrots, he just like self-sustain or whatever. Whereas the donkey seems to use more carrot juice or whatever. So you gotta give him like carrots more often, basically. But his tanks are full, so he's alright. Right, where the hell is this one? Went weird there. I think it glitched out. Yeah, my internet's struggling again. What is going on with the internet? Internet is dying again. And I took a lot of damage because the internet freaked